Hello, my dear 10th graders. Welcome to your very own BYJU'S 9th and 10th channel. I'm Saurabh, your physics mentor, and today we are here in this Abhyas series to solve 30 most important previous year questions for grade 10th. Yes, 30 most important. If you think about it, there are a lot of questions which are previous year questions. You can solve as many as you want, but you have to do smart work, right? In this 2 hours of session, I want you to figure out this whole 4 chapters of physics. इनमें से सबसे tough, सबसे अच्छा क्या आ सकता है, right? And that's why we are here. We have chosen 30 most important questions. Let me tell you 2-3 things. If you are coming for the first time, this is what we do. We make your life easy. Subscribe to the channel and press the like button right now. Good evening, good evening. How are you? I am must and you are also must. I know. We are in the end game now. This is December. The clock is ticking. 15th of Feb is the date in front of us. Date sheet अभी आया नहीं है, कभी भी आ सकता है, right? So we need to be prepared. Pre-board चल रहे हैं, शायद pre-board चल रहे हैं, है ना? Practicals आने वाले हैं. Life तो busy है मेरे दोस्त, है ना? तो क्यों ना practice करें अच्छे से. Top 30 previous year questions. How are you? Good evening. Fine, fine. 29 के आसपास होंगे. Very good यार. Hello सत्वा, ओम, साक्षी, भूमित. Hello Sarji. Exam is tomorrow. All the best. Comfy studies. Hello Adya, Harsh. All right. Ab now listen to me. Dekho. I told you in today's session what you will get. Sir, 30 previous year questions. That's true. Previous year questions. क्या क्या आता है उसमें? Sir, we have 1 marker questions, 2 marker questions, 3 marker questions, 4 marker questions, 5 marker questions. All of those are covered today. MCQs में I will give you poll. मेरे पास जुगाड़ है पूरा, ठीक है? I will give you poll, not to worry about that. उसके अलावा there is one very interesting thing we have done this time. एक बड़ा सही चीज किया है हमने. Let me tell you, whenever you come back to this session, मान लो you want to watch these 30 questions again. क्या आप दोबारा से 2 घंटे का पेपर देखोगे? Will you watch the 2-hour session again? If let's say you get stuck, right? And people who are live right now and people who are going to watch it later, both of you listen. If you want to see these 30 questions, will you come back to the video and watch the whole video? Is it true? Yes or no? Jaldi batao. Bilkul. Avika, you will have good questions and the syllabus is almost similar. So yes, it's beneficial for ICSE also. I'm good, Piyush. How are you? No. Right? Hello, Harsh from class 9th. Hey, your class is going. Ashwarya ma'ams. Na ji. तो क्या किया जाए? सर, अगर इन्हीं 30 questions का एक टेस्ट सीरीज हमको दे दिया जाए तो क्या होगा? Like what if I give you these 30 questions, exact 30 questions as a test? So tomorrow whenever you want to come, this test will be available for you. You give this test, right? You give this test and whenever you get stuck at any question, you can cross check from the video. As simple as that. क्या बोलते हो? अगर इन 30 questions का एक टेस्ट तुमको मिल जाए इसी वीडियो में, बढ़िया नहीं होगा? Come on. Oh, nice, yeah. Oh, congratulations. CBSE. Dolly Yadav, especially CBSE, but for ICSE also this works because the syllabus is almost similar. A doubt, you'll score full marks. Gogu, who has seen the full session, you will get full marks. That's true. लेकिन बाद में ना, I'll tell you, these 30 questions are so important. I want you to have a PDF, a proper questions format for this. And that's why we have attached a Google form in the description of this video. Ye Google form will be available to you anytime you want. Whenever you want to submit answers, you can, right? So this is something we have done new this time. Everybody who is here live right now, you can just test it, and everybody who is going to watch later, it's for you. Form में question देखो, attempt करो, जहां stuck हो जाओ, video देखो. That's as simple, right? ठीक है? एक और surprise है, I'll let you in between, correct? पहले चालू करते हैं कहानी. Everybody, have you pressed the like button? आगे नहीं बढ़ने वाला मैं. I'm telling you, I'm very adamant now. आगे नहीं बढ़ूंगा मैं. Have you pressed the like button? Have you subscribed to the channel? Come on. Have you pressed the bell icon? Because ये 30 questions आज अगर miss हुए और बाद में भी miss हो गए, means बहुत नुकसान होने वाला है. Yes. Namaste, namaste Ananta. Welcome. Find it. You found it, no? Very good. Right? Everybody. 30 questions. I'll give you poll in the MCQs. Not to worry about that. लेकिन ये 30 questions बहुत जरूरी हैं. Please make sure that you do it. अगर अभी नहीं देख पाओगे कोई बात नहीं, बाद में देखना. लेकिन whenever you go for boards, right? These 30 questions are a must watch. अगर आपने previous year questions देखे हुए हैं, then you might find कि कुछ questions sir देखे हुए हैं. I have seen these questions because all these are legit previous year questions. होगा, but they are important. बुराई नहीं है दोबारा तिबारा सॉल्व करने में, राइट? इफ यू सॉल्व देम ट्वाइस और थ्राइस डजंट मैटर, बिकॉज दे आर वेरी गुड क्वेश्चंस एंड गुड क्वेश्चंस डीम रिस्पेक्ट, इनको इज्जत देते हैं। चालू करें? Shall we start from the first question? Everybody, how's the Josh? बोर्ड आने वाला है, ठंडे में काम नहीं होगा। I know it's cold there. People who are from UP, बिहार, राजस्थान, कश्मीर, I know it's cold there. लेकिन तुम्हारे अंदर होनी चाहिए आग, है ना? मेरे को भी गर्मी लग रही है, पता नहीं क्यों। Yes, बिल्कुल। कौरी ले लिया बच्चा आपका नाम। For every subject, Bhumit. Yes, we'll try our best. Don't worry. Physics में तो you will get it. Don't you worry about that. Yes, बढ़िया एकदम, श्रीधर सर। हाई, वेरी हाई, एकदम रेडी। गिव मी जस्ट 1 सेकंड ना, एसी बंद लग रहा है मेरे को, है ना? मेरे को लग रहा है मेरे अंदर आग जल रही है। एसी बंद है यार। या yes, एकदम ready, बढ़िया। I hope you are sitting on a table chair right now. I hope you have your pen and notebook ready with you. है ना भाई, पेन नोटबुक है ना? खाली हाथ तो नहीं बैठे, कोई ऐसे बिस्तर पे लेटा हुआ तो नहीं है ऐसे फोन पकड़ के आहा सर कहानी सुनाने वाले हैं, ऐसे नहीं चलेगा। Let's do 30 questions starting now. और by the way, मेंटी नहीं है रहते, कॉम्पिटेंसी क्वेश्चंस होंगे, बट फर्स्ट प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस। सी, कॉम्पिटेंसी क्वेश्चंस आर गुड बट दे आर लिटिल ओवर, थोड़े एक्स्ट्रा हैं वो, बट प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस आर मस्ट डू। ठीक है, फाइन, रेडी, चलो आ जाओ। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन एंड आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू पोल। एक सेकेंड, अभी दे रहा हूं पोल। यस, अ स्टूडेंट obtains a blurred image of a distant object on a screen using a convex lens, right? Which lens? A convex lens. Okay sir, बहुत बढ़िया। Now to obtain a distinct image on the screen he should move the lens किधर? A B C D। अरे रुको ना, I am switching my account। La 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 la. हाँ, yes. Okay, I'm giving a poll now. रुको तो सही यार। Yes. This is A. This is B. This is C. And this is D. चलो भाई, देखें जरा। The reason I'm giving you a poll, मेरे को देखना है यार कितने लोग सही बोल रहे हैं। The poll is active. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Poll active है भाई। अभी किया 5 मिनट पहले ये क्वेश्चन आरोही। गुड, मींस यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग। नाइस, दैट्स अ गुड थिंग। टुवर्ड्स द स्क्रीन, गोकू सेज। ओके, कम ऑन, सी ए बी सी डी। अ स्टूडेंट ऑब्टेन्स अ ब्लर्ड इमेज ऑफ अ डिस्टेंट ऑब्जेक्ट। सी, आई एम टेलिंग यू, व्हेनेवर यू गो फॉर बोर्ड क्वेश्चंस ना, स्पेशली इन फिजिक्स, नोटिस द लैंग्वेज। शब्दों में सारा खेल है बाबू। एवरीथिंग इज इन द वर्ड्स। रीड द वर्ड्स केयरफुली। द क्वेश्चन विल try to give you hint. You have to listen to the question. क्या बोल रहे हो बताओ मुझे, मैं सुनूंगा तुम्हारी बात, right? Talk to the question. Question is telling you student obtains a blurred image of a distant object on a screen using a convex lens. To obtain a distinct image on the screen, he should move the lens कहाँ? First option, away from the screen. Second option, towards the screen. Third option, to a position very far away from the screen. Fourth, either towards or away from the screen depending upon the position of the object. Yes, come on. I'll give you 5 more seconds here. 5, 4, lens बड़ा बनाओ। 3, 2, 1, and let's end the poll. देखें जरा क्या चल रहा है। What do we have? What do we have? What do we have? Option B is 62%. A, for boards I want more than 70-80%. यार इतने से काम नहीं चलेगा। You are telling me option B is 62%, हाँ? It's a 1 marker question. देखो बोर्ड में नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं होती है, that's true, but you lose 1 mark if you give the wrong answer. Now एक बात बताओ, this is your lens, and when I say distant object, what do I mean? Question चुपके चुपके क्या बोल रहा है? What is the question trying to tell you like in a very subtle manner. Distant object means what? Yes, myopia hai. Arey nahi suno to. Good evening, Ahan. Come on. Yes. When the question says distant object, it means what? क्या मतलब है इसका? Come on. Yes, 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 yes. Mishti, हाँ, okay. Distant object means infinity. Good. Object is very far. Object is at infinity, right? So you can say that rays are parallel. Correct. This is something you can assume. Okay, sir. Okay. Now, when you want a sharp image, right, the screen should be at focus. But imagine your screen is in front of the focus, है ना? यहाँ पे अभी तो light ray meet ही नहीं करी. If you think about it, image is formed when light rays meet. Correct. When light rays have reached only till here, है ना? When light rays have reached only till here and you have put a screen, यार your light rays are not even meeting. What kind of image? Image तो बनी नहीं. Correct. So when you say blurred image is formed, and you can test it if you have magnifying lens, no, you can test it, right? When you say blurred image, इसका मतलब पता है क्या होता है? It means it is kept little away from the focus. Focus से थोड़ा दूर रखा हुआ है, right? Correct. So क्या करना होगा हमको? What do we need to do? We have to move the lens towards the screen. Yes, we have to move the lens towards the screen. So अगर आप लेंस को पास लेके आओगे, then what will happen? Then when you bring, let's say the lens comes over here. When lens comes over here, now the image will be formed on the focus. Correct? Getting my point? What is the meaning of blurred image? Sir, blurred image means light rays have met, but the screen is away. But if you keep the object, the screen, I would say before the light rays meet, अगर यहीं पर आपने ब्रेक कर दिया तो लाइट रेज तो मीट ही नहीं करनी. कौन सी इमेज? यस, है ना? करेक्ट. अभी गेटिंग माय पॉइंट एवरीबॉडी. ये क्वेश्चन ऐसा है, व्हेन दिस क्वेश्चन केम ना, ये क्वेश्चन कब आया था? दिस वाज 2017 1 मार्कर क्वेश्चन. व्हेन दिस क्वेश्चन केम, मेनी स्टूडेंट्स थॉट सर स्क्रीन के पीछे, इफ यू टेक द स्क्रीन अवे, इफ यू टेक द स्क्रीन फॉरवर्ड, यू विल गेट अ ब्लर्ड इमेज. दैट्स नॉट ट्रू. You can do the practical. That's not exactly true, right? है ना? Correct. So that's why correct answer becomes towards the screen. 62% people have got 1 mark. 62% people have got 1 mark. 62% people out of how many? Out of how many? कितने लोग हैं अभी? 98. So let's say out of 100 people, 60% people have got 1 mark in this question. Come on, we need to do better here. चले आगे. रेडी? ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 ऑन योर स्क्रीन. भाई क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 क्या बोल रहा है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 बोल रहा है, इन द डायग्राम शोन N1, N2 and N3 are refractive indices of the media 1, 2 and 3. Yes? ठीक है सर. Yes. Pole is active. Which one of the following is true in this case? Now you have 4 options. Diagram is also in front of you and you have 4 options. 4 option क्या है? Sir, N1 is equal to N2. Second वाला, N1 is more than N2. Third, N2 is more than N3. Last, N3 is more than N1. Come on. Yes. Rupinder, I was not on YouTube. That's true. Sakshi says D. Ashraf D. Ahan B. Kaustubh B. Come on. Pole is active here. Yes. See, all these are previous year questions. Last year also when we did this side of a session, few questions you might have seen before, right? जितने question 2022 के होंगे वही तो नहीं होंगे. 2021 वाले तो पिछले साल भी होंगे, right? So you might have seen, not a problem. लेकिन सारे important question है ये. Yes? Correct? Yes, Shaurya. I announced it. Everybody, in the description you will find a Google form quiz. Same 30 questions. Why have I given you same 30 questions? So that whenever you have time, these 30 questions I want you to not miss. कभी छोड़ना मत. You try them again. So this is a Google form, always active for you, है ना? जब भी आपको चाहिए सेशन पे जाओ, Google form पे क्लिक करो, आपको क्वेश्चन मिल जाएंगे सारे के सारे, right? You can submit your answers. Yes. And there is one more good news I'll tell you in this session. Don't worry, don't worry. Option D, 54%. 54% people say option D. Hey, why are you struggling in these questions? ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? यार एक बात बताओ. This is a 2022 question, 1 marker. Last year का question है ये, ठीक है? Right? So, what's happening? Sir, N1 दिया है, N2 दिया है, N3 दिया है. Question is, you have to find relationship between N1, N2, N3 and, है ना? So, this is the same question. Fine, ठीक है. Now, watch this image carefully. When light goes from N1 to N2, where is it bending? Think about it. N1 or N2 में the light ray is bending. Light ray is bending. Complete my sentence. When light ray goes from N1 to N2, it is bending. Yes. Come on. अरे क्या बात चल रही है ये बर्गर? It is bending. Yes. Come on. D. Normal. Towards normal. Very good. Yes, 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 Ashraf. It is bending towards normal. Correct? है ना? Very good. Towards normal. That's true. Now, if light ray is bending towards normal, it proves one thing. What? That light ray is going from rarer medium to denser medium. When light ray goes to a denser medium, it bends towards the normal. Nice. Very good. I think there's a slight delay. That's why your answer is coming today slightly late. Huh? देखो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? Sir, N1 is less than N2. If N2 is denser medium, means its refractive index is more than N1. अगर N2 denser medium है, इसका मतलब उसका refractive index तो बड़ा है ना N1 से, right? Simple. Okay, sir. When light ray goes from N2 to N3, what is happening? Sir, N2 to N3, light ray is bending. Light ray is bending towards normal again. Means, sir, N3 is more than N2. Between N2 and N3, who is denser? Sir, N3 is denser. Correct? है ना? N3 is denser than N2 and N2 is denser than N1. Now, between N3 and N1, what can you say? Yeah, if you take this and this into account, you can say N3 is more than N2, N2 is more than N1, which proves that N3 is more than N1. Right? N3 is more than N1. And that is true. First one is saying N1 equals N2, galat. N1 is more than N2, wrong. N2 more, wrong. Last one is fine. That's why option D is the right answer. Yes. Correct. Hello. Welcome. Everybody, clear? See, these type of questions are quite common, right? Today I'm showing you one type of question, but in previous year questions, अगर आप छानने बैठोगे ना, आपको बहुत सारे question मिल जाएंगे, almost similar तरह के, right? So please, these type of questions, understand how to solve them, right? Correct. Bending has been asked. Yes, bending has been shown, and refractive index has been asked. Correct? Yes, the surprise is in the chat right now. Clear? Right? And it is in the pinned comment. आप लोग बच्चे पूछते रहते हो ना. See, whenever I show you all the summary slides, all the revision notes, remember? BYJU'S the learning app, when I show you all the summary slides and all the revision notes, there is one question which we keep on getting again and again. Sir, ये कहाँ देखना है? If I have to buy the premium product, कहाँ देखें, है ना? Right? That's one question. So this is why this is basically a page. It's like a e-commerce website, है ना? shop.byju's.com. वहाँ पर you can buy it. And the important thing is sale चल रहा है भाई. It's December, Christmas time, New Year time, right? So there's a sale ongoing, 50% off. If you really want, you can check it out. Fine, है ना? The link is in the description as well as in the pinned comments. Very good. चलो, आ जाओ. Question number 3 on your screen. Thank you, Han. Come on, question number 3. If the image formed by a spherical mirror for all positions of the object placed in front of it is always erect and diminished, what type of mirror is it? And draw a labeled ray diagram to support your answer. It's a 2-marker question. Yes. Rupinder, so that's why here, if you really want, if you want to buy the app directly, there is a place now, है ना? आपके पास एक place है जहाँ पर आप Amazon की तरह जाओगे, click करोगे, add to cart करोगे, आप buy कर सकते हो. That is given to you in the pinned chat, है ना? Yes. Come on. Concave mirror, Trisha says. आंसर सेज कॉन्वेक्स मिरर. जिष्णा, कॉन्वेक्स कॉन्वेक्स कॉन्वेक्स. अरे which is a peace loving mirror? I have explained this to you. Which mirror is a peace loving mirror? कौन सा मिरर है जो बोलता है जियो और जिनो मेरा फंडा है? हाँ जी. Which is a mirror which says my फंडा is जियो और जीने दो? कौन सा मिरर है वो? What is pencil? Pencil? अरे पेंसिल पेंसिल होता है. If the image formed by a spherical mirror for all positions of the object is always erect and diminished. See, whenever you attempt the board questions, no, have a habit of underlining the important keywords. Always erect and diminished. कौन सा मिरर हमेशा erect और diminished image बनाता है? Come on. Yes. Good. Convex mirror. See, concave mirror usually forms real inverted image. There is one exception case when the object is between pole and focus that it forms virtual erect and magnified image. है ना? Concave mirror एक ही केस में बनाता है virtual erect magnified, right? Which is between pole and focus. But convex mirror, ये वाला. But convex mirror, it is forming virtual erect and diminished always, no matter where you keep the object. आपको हमेशा कैसा इमेज मिलेगा? Virtual erect and diminished. कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं है. ये है आपका दोस्त और ये है आपका कॉम्पिटिटर, राइट? दिस वन विल टेस्ट यू. ये बोलेगा हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं, वीर तुम बढ़े चलो, ठीक है, फाइन. सो दैट्स व्हाई कॉन्वेक्स मिरर, इट्स इजी, इट्स वेरी सिंपल. व्हाट टाइप ऑफ मिरर इज इट? इट्स कॉन्वेक्स मिरर. ड्रॉ अ लेबल्ड रे डायग्राम टू सपोर्ट योर आंसर. कितने लोग लेबल्ड रे डायग्राम बना लेंगे? डियर सर, आई प्रॉमिस दैट आई कैन मेक अ लेबल्ड रे डायग्राम ऑन माई ओन. यस. हु इज टेकिंग दिस प्लेज? कौन कौन बोल रहा है? Yes. Priyada, no. BYJU'S doesn't have a Telugu channel, but English is there. Come on. Hello, Tanu. Me. Ashraf, don't worry, bacha. You will do wonders. Have confidence. You have learned so much here now. Why to panic? You can. Me. है ना? See, I have taught you how to make ray diagrams using a compass, using a pencil, using a scale, how to hack the ray diagrams. I have taught this to you. If somebody really wants it, ask me in the comment section. I'll reply you back with the timestamp of the video, है ना? That I can do for you. इतना मैं कर सकता हूँ, right? But if you want it, then only. कोई पूछेगा तब दूंगा मैं, ऐसे मेरे को मतलब नहीं है, ठीक है? Fine. Alright. बन गया ना? बहुत अच्छे. Everybody, draw a labeled ray diagram to support your answer. कितने बनाओगे? See, convex mirror में there are two cases. Although both give virtual erect and diminished, but there are two cases. Will you make both the cases? You will make only one case. Tell me that. You will make both the cases or you will make only one? What is your thing? Namandeep, I don't understand your question. Pencil बेटा आपको पता होगा, या फिर आप कुछ और पूछना चाह रहे हो? Yes. गौरी बच्चा क्या होगा नाम लेने से, बताओ आप. You make without scale. Google form में डाल दिया. Very good. Nice. You want it? No. Shaji, comment section. After the video, tell me in the comment section. No, I'll reply you back. Okay, listen to me. देखो, labeled ray diagram. So this is how many marker question? It's a 2-mark question. 1 mark is to tell that it's a convex mirror. ठीक है, it's a convex mirror. It will give you 1 mark. No problem. Now you have to draw a labeled ray diagram to support your answer. In convex mirrors, there are 2 cases. When the object is at infinity and when the object is not at infinity. है ना? 2 तरह के केस बनते हैं इसके अंदर. I'm saying in this, no, it's okay if you make a hand-drawn diagram. Bhai, you are drawing a diagram for almost 1 mark, correct? So what can you do? Sir, I will draw a convex mirror first. Very good. Principal axis. Very good. Light rays are coming from infinity. Very good. Then they are getting diverged. Very good. Then they will tuck. So if your drawing is as bad as mine, you might have to use a rubber in between, है ना? हो सकता है, because you know me, I am a master in drawing. This becomes your focus, correct? Please, whenever you draw ray diagram, don't forget to mark the arrows. भाई arrow भूल जाते हैं हम लोग. I have seen lot of students, they forget to put arrows. रे है, अपने आप देखो. कई बच्चे पता क्या बोलते हैं, सर एग्जामिनर को तो पता ही होगा. अरे वो अपने टेस्ट लेने बैठे, तुम्हारा टेस्ट लेने बैठे. Think about it. Why are you leaving to the examiner? You have to tell, I know. they don't have to think do you know or not, है ना? Come on यार, common sense, right? Please put the arrows, arrow मत छोड़ देना. Correct. Is a single curve in a mirror should be solid? Single curve is enough. XD, lol. Correct. Hey, what's your asli name? I keep forgetting. Lean Fran, all the best. Yes. What is the optical density? Rehan, optical density, it's not the density you are thinking. It's more or less like refractive index. How much bending of light is happening in the medium, that is defined by optical density, or you can say it is, the number is given by refractive index. Yes, है ना? Very good. When is board exam? Ganesh, it's starting 15th of Feb. Correct? Hello, Cosmotalk, good evening. Correct, this is one. Second wala, sir, second ke andar we will do the same thing, na? You will make a convex mirror, then you will keep a object over here, right? Keep an object diverging, tuck, 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 tuck. This is your focus, correct? This is your focus. Next could be, if this is your focus, let's say this is your center of curvature. What you can do is tuck, 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 tuck. अरे 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 आजा 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 आ गया. This becomes your center of curvature वाला ray. वाह, क्या drawing बनाया यार, मजा आ गया. That's nice, right? So this becomes your image. Correct? This is your object. This is your image. Fine. Two diagrams. Please draw with a free hand. Fine. Correct? Sujay, electricity, it is there in this top 30 questions. Don't you worry. But electricity के लिए we have done one shots also. We have done. आप कहाँ थे अब तक बच्चा? Hello. Yeah, I know. Long time. Yes. Good. Correct. Will you draw it? बना लोगे ना? I'm making sure you guys will do it. It's easy. यार अगर मेरे से बन गया तो तुमसे तो बन ही जाएगा यार. I'm hoping your drawing is better than mine. मुझसे बुरा तो नहीं हो सकता तुम्हारा drawing ना? Correct? Got it? Clear एकदम? Yes. Correct. Who teaches bio? Bio is Ankita ma'am, Aishwarya ma'am. Guys, if you are missing bio, means you are missing a lot of things. Come on, you have to be regular. Yes. Correct. Fine. Very good. What is convex mirror? This is convex mirror. Hey. Yes. Sanskrit. Aviral. I'm really sorry, bacha. Chalo. Correct. So, it always produces virtual, erect and diminished image. You will make these diagrams, very easy diagrams, nice, and please don't forget to put the arrow in the rays. That is very important. Fine, ठीक है? चलो आगे आ जाओ. So how will you write the answer? Sir, a convex mirror always produces virtual, erect and diminished image of the object irrespective of the object position. Clear-cut answer is very important. First of all, tell the answer. Sir, convex mirror is the answer. Why? Because it gives you virtual, erect, diminished image wherever the position. Not a problem. Two cases, infinity, any other location, done. The end. Correct? बहुत बढ़िया. Make it with ruler. KM masti word. Depends. If your drawing is good, you can make it without ruler. But if your drawing is not as good, like me, then you have to use the ruler. Hey, I'm joking. My drawing is pretty bad. Chalo, question number 4 on your screen. Yes. Come on. Doubt? अरे पूछो यार doubt. बिल्कुल. हम क्यों बैठे हैं यहाँ पे? हाँ. अबे कर लेना भाई, बोर्ड के बाद कर लेना आराम से, ये बात है ना? आओ, come on. Define the principal focus of a concave mirror. Okay, which mirror? Concave mirror. It is desired to obtain an erect image of an object using a concave mirror of focal length 12 centimeter. What should be the range of object distance in the above case? पहली चीज, first thing, it's a 3-marker question. Right? It is important to know how many marks this question is. Why? Because that's how your answer ka tarika will change. That's how your way of giving the answer will change. Come on. Utkarsh, it's better if you post the doubt and not say doubt. Right? है ना? Focus on principal axis. That's true, Sakshi. Charan, electricity. Bacha, electricity so we have done, no? We'll do a special session for electricity, but right now we are doing previous year questions. ठीक है? Come on. Dark devil. अरे आरोही मस्त है यार एकदम. Yes. Hi, Sakshi. Come on. Define the principal focus. What is the principal focus of a concave mirror? Between P and F. Divyanshu, that's true. Correct. Less than 12. Nice. 0 to 12. Very good, Charan. Aviral, badhiya. Yes. Nice, Trisha. Good. डर लग रहा है नमनदीप, आप थोड़ा फोकस करो, आंसर करते जाओ, डर मिट जाएगा, एकदम सिंपल सी बात है. डिफाइन द प्रिंसिपल फोकस ऑफ अ कॉनकेव मिरर. प्रिंसिपल फोकस बोला है, राइट, विच मीन्स one thing is very important, right? When light rays parallel to principal axis fall on the concave mirror, they meet at a point on the principal axis. This point is called as principal focus. ठीक है? This is how you will define the principal focus. It will give you what? 1 mark. इससे मिलेगा क्या? आपको मिलेगा 1 mark. पूरा पूरा, correct? Light rays parallel to principal axis when fall on the concave mirror after reflection they meet at a point on the principal axis. This point is called as principal focus. Clear cut definition. Fine. Where parallel rays meet? Yes, you are right. But parallel rays what? Parallel to principal axis. केवल parallel ray मत लिख देना. That's very important. Fine. भाई think about ना यार, अगर ये concave mirror है, parallel rays तो ये भी हैं, right? All these are also parallel rays. Parallel to whom? Parallel to principal axis. That is very important. अगर वो नहीं लिखा, नंबर कट गए भाई. क्लियर हो रहा है? I'm telling you, every small mistake that you can do, I'm trying to tell you, please don't do it. Yes, है ना? उस्मानिया, अरे एकदम बेस्ट, ओपी यार एकदम. हाँ जी. Yes. मार्स, अब ये अच्छा वाला मैसेज है, फालतू मैसेज है. Should I attend this or not? Tell me. Correct? Getting my point? Please, small mistakes I'm telling you. What can you do? You will not realize it right now. When you are attempting the Google form test, then you will realize. That's why. Please. Yes, है ना? हाँ, correct? Very good. Paraxial ray? Nice. Paraxial ray. That's true. Why do we prefer a convex mirror as a rear view mirror in vehicles? अच्छा, एक और चीज. One more thing, यार. What should be the range of object in the above case when you want an erect image of an object? By in concave mirror, there is only one case in which you get erect image. That is virtual, erect and magnified. When the object is between 0 and focus. Now let me ask you, if I write the answer as position of object is 0 to 12 centimeters. This is my first way of answering. Second way, position of object is u. This is second way. Third, position of object is between 0 and 12. I have given you 3 methods. 3 बच्चों ने ये 3 आंसर लिखे. Which one do you think will get full marks? हाँ जी, come on. You can say all 3. You can say all 3. But let me ask you, 3 students gave these 3 answers for the previous question. Which one do you think will get full marks? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, none of them. What do you think? Come on. Wider range of view. Yes. अरे बिल्कुल बेस्ट है यार एकदम. क्या बात कर रहे हो? Fan from class 12. Welcome here. All 3. Divanshu says all 3. Adya says 2. Second number. Jishna says 2. B or C. Namandeep says. Mars says 2. Aviral 2. First one is wrong. Correct. कहाँ निकल भाई? मैं यहीं हूँ. तुम निकल. Yes, come on. सुनो. भाई, when you say position of object and you write 0 to 12, पता है? When you write 0 to 12, इसका मतलब पता है क्या? What does it mean? It means you have included 0 also and you have included 12 also. But you tell me, when the object is kept at focus, the image is, complete my sentence. When the object is kept at focus in front of a concave mirror, image is real, inverted, highly magnified, position is at infinity. गड़बड़ हो गया, right? That's why. Correct? है ना? Very good. Listen to me. 0 to 12. Correct? It means you have included 0 and 12. But that is not the case. This is wrong. So that's why this first wala bachcha will get 0 marks for this. Second, Position of object is 0 to 12. Aha, very good. It means more than 0, less than 12 without taking 0 and 12. Second is correct. दूसरा ठीक है भाई. Third वाला, textual format. Position of object is between 0 and 12. Correct. So 2 and 3 are right. First one is wrong. If somebody was thinking to write it like the first answer, please correct it. गलती हो जाएगी, marks कट जाएंगे. ठीक है? And फिर तुम बोलोगे मैंने बताया नहीं. Right? ठीक है? Fine. Very good. Clear हो गया एकदम? बहुत अच्छे. चलो आगे आओ. हाँ. What's good? Everything is good. ठीक है? Clear? Why do we prefer a convex mirror as a rear view mirror in vehicles? Why? Why do you prefer convex mirror as a rear view mirror in vehicles? List two reasons. देखो पहली चीज, you don't want your image to be ulta, right? You want your image to be virtual and erect, which means, sir, rear view mirror, always virtual, erect. Fine, that is the good thing. Second, it has a larger field of view. ये ज़्यादा देख सकता है, correct है ना? That's true. You're right. Lens produce complete image if it covers half. Yes, Mars, that is true. Correct है भाई वो. You will get full image. There is an experiment shot on this. Correct? Yes. बहुत बढ़िया. Numericals. Well, we have numericals here. Don't worry. In the Google form, you don't need to solve the complete numerical. You can give me the answer. That's true. ठीक है? With your proper name. झूठ नहीं बोलना उसमें. चलो भाई. Why do we prefer a convex mirror as a mirror? Sir, हो गया ना ये तो. Principal focus of a concave mirror is the point at which the light rays that are parallel to principal axis. Everybody, it's a very important line. Parallel to principal axis. Please don't miss it. मैं बोल रहा हूँ इसको बार बार. You might have seen, sir, I wrote the complete answer. नंबर काट लेते हैं मेरे जानबूझ के, है ना? मेरे से दुश्मनी है, right? People hate me. Examiner hates me. They cut my marks. अरे because you miss important points. Don't miss this line. If you miss this line, marks are gone. Of the mirror converge on its principal axis after reflection. Okay. A concave mirror produces virtual erect image when the object is placed between principal focus and pole of the mirror. Hence, the range of object is from 0 to 12 centimeters on the principal axis. Very good. Second, convex mirror is preferred as rear view mirror. Why? First, it produces virtual and erect image. Second, it produces wider field of view. It can see more. That's why पूरी रोड दिखेगी. ऐसा नहीं है कि केवल कार दिखेगी. Fine, extremely helpful. Nice, very good. What is hypermetropia? Long name means long sightedness means far sightedness. दूर का मस्त दिखता है, पास का नहीं दिखता है. Right? चलो. Hey, watch the human eye वाला session. No, come on. अभी क्या सुनोगे? Right? Very good. Field of view. Field of view. Wide range of view, wide field of view. You can say both are fine. Correct? Chalo. Come forward. आगे आओ. Question number 5. Draw a labeled ray diagram to show the path of a ray of light incident obliquely on one face of a glass slab. Hey, what does obliquely mean? See, I know. Sometimes English trouble us. कभी-कभी ना अंग्रेजी हमको दुख तो देती है. क्या करें? अंग्रेजी है ना? छोड़ भी नहीं सकते इसको. So, draw a labeled ray diagram to show the path of a ray of light incident obliquely on the one face of a glass. क्या मतलब है इसका obliquely का? What is the meaning of obliquely? Yes? Must the word presbyopia? Hey, you are not watching human eye session, huh? Because all the very basic things, if you don't know that means you haven't watched the session. That's पक्का. Yes, old age की वजह से होता है presbyopia. Slantingly at an angle. Very good. Jishna, Rekha, 60, नहीं, Siddhant not required. 60 degrees not required. At some angle. Obliquely means it is not like this. It is not like this. It is at some angle. It could be whatever angle, but it is at some angle. That means obliquely. ठीक है भाई? जिनको अंग्रेजी में दिक्कत होती है, please लिख लेना. And I'm not joking. Please, I'm not joking right now. See, marks से मतलब है ना भाई. What's important? To write the correct answer to get good marks. शर्म करने से क्या होगा? सर मेरे को पता नहीं obliquely का मतलब. अरे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? अब पता चल गया ना? Write it down. लिख लो notes में. Fine. Draw a labeled ray diagram to show the path of ray of light incident. हाँ ठीक है. अरे वाह. Sir, this is my glass. This is my air / vacuum. Very good. Now when light ray falls on this, at some angle, what will happen? It will bend. Arrow. It will bend towards normal. Away from normal. Sir, going from rarer to denser medium, it will bend towards the normal. It's so easy. Very, very easy. Right? This is your I. This is your R. No, कोई problem ही नहीं है इसमें तो. एकदम आसान. It is very easy. You can draw it with a free hand using a ruler. It's very easy. कोई बात नहीं है ना. Physics is easy. Very good, nice, Kanu. I'm happy to hear that. Calculate the refractive index of the material of a glass slab given the speed of light through the glass slab is 2 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second and in air is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Very easy question. Very simple formula. Come on. C is 0.4. Oh, I'm talking about B question right now. Yes. C is 40, 1.5. Very good. Nice, yeah. Jishna, very good. Anish, Arohi, 1.5. Come on. Yes. Aberration मतलब multiple image दिखना है ना. Light ray converge करती है ना, एक जगह नहीं करेंगी. यहाँ 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 यहाँ. So you will get, ऐसा लगेगा तुमको 3-4 image है. That's called aberration. 1.5 1.5. अरे nice यार. अरे refractive index क्या होता है? Sir, it is the ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in medium. C upon V. क्या दिया हुआ है? वही तो दिया हुआ है. C is 3 into 10 to the power of 8. Sir, V is 2 into 10 to the power of 8. 3 upon 2. 10 की power 8, 10 की power 8 is gone. 3 by 2, कितना? Sir, 1.5. Refractive index, it's a ratio, means no unit. Very good, एकदम easy. Diagram you will make. It's animation. I'm just showing off my animation thing. Otherwise, तो it's very easy, है ना? Correct? Fine. Rest. अच्छा, एक और चीज. Listen to me. When you make the glass वाला ray diagram, what I showed you here, this is half of the picture. But when it says glass slab, what becomes important? Sir, what is important? I also have to draw. You also have to draw what happens when this light ray falls at the other face. Ooh. So you have to complete the diagram, right? So this diagram will look something like this, correct? The emergent ray will be parallel to the incident ray with lateral displacement. इसका नाम क्या होता है? What is the name of this? It is called as lateral displacement, right? अरे चलो भाई. हाँ, displacement. Clear? Fine. हाँ, very good. Nice. Namaste, namaste. Everybody who is joining late, we are solving 30 most important previous year questions. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the session. Press the like button, सब्सक्राइब करो एंड गूगल फॉर्म दिया हुआ है एक डिस्क्रिप्शन में. उसके अंदर सेम क्वेश्चन है, बाद में कभी देना हो ना दे सकते हो. और उसके अलावा एक और लिंक दिया हुआ है तुमको स्टोर का, चेकआउट करो उसको. राइट, रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट के लिए दिस इज द डायग्राम, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नेक्स्ट, द न्यूमेरिकल. हाउ टू सॉल्व? सर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेल मी व्हाट इज गिवन, राइट द फॉर्मूला एंड सॉल्व इट. पहले बताओ क्या क्या दिया हुआ है, फिर फॉर्मूला लिखो और फिर सॉल्व कर दो, एकदम आसान. स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन ग्लास स्लैब गिवन टू यू. Speed of light in air given to you. Absolute refractive index is the NG. Very good. Of glass resistor, NG equals C upon VG is equal to itna 1.5. Answer is done. Question number C. Calculate the focal length of a lens if its power is minus 2.5 D. Hey, which lens is it? Yes? It is 1.5. Yeah, that's correct. Hello, you are from Patna. Nice here. I'm from UP. भिवानी से कौन है? अरे पूछ लेना. Ashraf, that's true, bacha. It's fine. Question right now is not talking about yellow color, but yeah, on an average we take yellow because yellow comes in between ना VIBGYOR. तो yellow थोड़ा middle में होता है इसलिए. 0.4 meters और convex. ठीक हूँ? बढ़िया एकदम. Concave. Hey, which lens has focal length or power negative? Sir, convex lens has a positive focal length because it is to the right. Concave lens has a negative focal length. Why? It is to the left. So, ये है concave lens. पक्का हो गया? है ना जी? कोई छुपने छुपाने वाली बात तो है नहीं है. शर्माने वाली क्या ही बात है, right? Why to get shy? Minus 2.5. So, the focal length will also be minus. What is focal length? Sir, focal length is 1 upon power. Why? Because sir, power was 1 upon focal length in meter. तो कुछ नहीं किया, interchange तो किया, right? So focal length in meter is equal to 1 upon power. So focal length is equal to 1 upon में minus में 2.5 means 10 upon 25. What are you getting? 5 to the 10, 5 of the 25. Sir, minus में 0.4 meters. In centimeters, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 माइनस में 40 सेंटीमीटर. दिस इज योर फोकल लेंथ. इजी, वेरी इजी, करेक्ट है ना? हेलो अदिति. Given that power of a lens P equals minus 2.5D, focal length is equal to 1/P और आंसर लिख देंगे हम. बढ़िया बढ़िया. एक बात बताओ, कर लोगे? Yes, this was how many marks? कितने मार्क क्वेश्चन था ये? 5 मार्कर क्वेश्चन था यार ये. This was a nice 5 marker question. How many of you think you can score full 5 marks in this question? एक भी नंबर नहीं कटेगा. How many of you are feeling confident? कितने लोगों को लग रहा है सर पूरे पूरे 5 ले जाऊंगा मैं, कोई दिक्कत वाली बात ही नहीं है? Come on, I want to see confidence. पूरे पूरे 5 नंबर कौन ले जाएगा? Yes, बिल्कुल है ना? खरगोश की तरह से ले जाओगे क्या? Easy, very good. Meeta, you can leave it, not a problem. No one will cut your marks. Easy ना? Me. Very good. चलो, come on. Question number 6. 5 marker question. सोच रहे हो? 5 marker question, a numerical. 5 marker. अपन को लग रहा है ना, बस अपन को लगेगा कॉन्फिडेंस में है तो मत जानी लाइफ, एकदम कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Come on. 5 out of 5. Very good. So, a real image 2/3 of the size of an object is formed by a convex lens when the object is at a distance of 12 centimeter from it. Find the focal length of the lens. 2020 2020 5 marker question. Yes. Easy है पर motivation कम है. SpongeBob, my friend, I'm telling you. Just first of all, question yourself. क्या तुमने सारा पढ़ा है? If your answer is yes, nice, right? Have you practiced enough? Yes, good. Confidence is coming. Confidence आ गया भाई, है ना? अगर तुमको लग रहा है ना यार मैंने पूरा तो नहीं पढ़ा है, पता नहीं नंबर कैसे आएंगे, हाँ, then you don't have confidence. Yes, Heisenberg's uncertainty. Oh my God, पोजीशन नहीं पता कर सकते, अगर उसको लाइट डालेंगे तो भाग जाएगा, बट अभी जरूरत नहीं है सबकी. Come on, Aryan bro, yo. 7.2 centimeters. Rashi says V equals 8 centimeters. 7.2. Ashraf, come on. Answers. I am free, है बिल्कुल, don't worry. अभिनव, यार बच्चे हैं, कहाँ परेशान कर रहे हो, है ना? आराम से बात करेंगे कभी. Refractive index questions, Rekha, don't worry, बच्चा. Refractive index questions are not difficult, I'm telling you. We'll practice a lot of questions, but today whatever we do know, that's very important. The reason I'm doing this right now is because I want all of you to attempt these questions again. Every question is a gem. दोबारा करना जरूरी है उसको. Yes. Come on. 8 centimeters. 7.2. Now listen to me. A real image 2/3 of the size of an object is. पहली चीज तो ये 5 नंबर का है भाई. When you see a 5 marker question, उसकी रेस्पेक्ट अपने आप बढ़ जाती है, राइट? व्हेनेवर यू सी अ 5 मार्कर क्वेश्चन, वी ऑलवेज थिंक वाह बड़े लोग, है ना? नाइस, राइट? 5 मार्कर क्वेश्चन दे डीम रिस्पेक्ट, उनको चाहिए इज्जत, तो इज्जत दो. फाइन. अ रियल इमेज 2/3 ऑफ द साइज ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज फॉर्म्ड बाय अ कॉन्वेक्स लेंस व्हेन द ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 12 सेंटीमीटर्स फ्रॉम इट. क्या दिया है क्वेश्चन ने? व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन गिविंग यू? सर, when object is at a distance of 12 centimeters, ठीक है sir, u is equal to minus 12 centimeters. U is always minus, so that is not a problem. What is this real image 2/3 of the size of an object? What is this meaning? What is this telling you? Yes, Ganesh, I did this for your midterm. I'll do it again. Don't you worry about that. Yes, come on. बिल्कुल बात कर सकते हैं. 4.8 centimeter. Jishna is saying. Goku says minus 244.8. Minus 4.8 with a question mark. Confident नहीं हो. Focal length is 4.8. Okay, Trisha. Yes. Hey, don't write question mark. Sir is obsessed with 2020. Himanshi, lot of questions came. Magnification, bigger. अरे bigger नहीं है. A real image, it is giving you magnification. You are right. A real image 2/3 of the size of an object. मतलब sir, height of image is equal to 2/3 height of object, right? है ना? Correct. height of image upon height of object is equal to 2 by 3. This is magnified image or diminished image? It's a diminished image, right? Correct? It's a diminished image. Sir, why 2 by 3 is less than 1? That is why. अरे भैया ये less than 1 होगा ना? This is less than 1 means it's a diminished image. Correct? Okay sir, that's true. It is a diminished image. Very good, very good. Now one more question. अब ये diminished हो गया. ठीक है? Fine, clear. What is HI upon HO? Sir, HI upon HO should be magnification. है ना? Magnification would be 2 by 3. True or false? Come on, tell me. Magnification will be 2 by 3. True or false? सही है गलत है? कितना टाइम लगेगा? Rajda, I'll try to finish by 9. I'll try to finish. Come on. True or false है? 9:30 तक हो जाएगा Rajda. True. False. Magnification is not 2 by 3. Why? It's a convex lens. Right? It's a convex lens. It is forming a real inverted and diminished image of 2/3 of the size. Whenever you have a real image, whenever you have an inverted image, right? It is magnification will be plus or minus. It will be minus. So m equals minus 2 by 3. First point where the mistake can happen. So m कितना आ गया? Sir, m is equal to minus 2 by 3. Yes, sir. Now you have the u, right? And it is a lens. The formula for magnification is v upon u is equal to m. Correct? v upon u कितना है? Sir, minus में 12 is equal to minus में 2 by 3. Minus gone. 3 4s are 12. v is equal to 4 2s are 8 centimeters. Hold on. Sir, v is coming out to be positive. मतलब to the right. सही है क्या? It's a convex lens. You are getting a real image, inverted image, diminished image, and image position is positive, means it is coming to the right. ठीक है क्या? My logic says, sir, real में तो lens में right में बनती है ना? हाँ, correct है sir. अरे वाह, nice. I'm doing correct. Logic plus math. Don't ever use only one thing. दोनों को मिला के use करना है. I'm telling you. This is a ब्रह्मास्त्र for the boards. बच्चे क्या करते हैं? फॉर्मूला लगाया, भाग लिए. कभी सही आया, कभी गलत आया, पता नहीं. Use logic plus math. V equals 8 centimeter positive. Just check. Correct. Then move forward. Fine. V equals 8. You got, sir, I have got V also. Right? You have got V is equal to कितना? Sir, 8 centimeters. U is equal to कितना? Sir, minus में 12 centimeters. Focal length. You can find. Sir, 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. Solve कर लो जी. 1 upon 8 minus में 1 upon minus 12 is equal to 1 upon F. कितना आया? Sir, I'm getting 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 12, 24, 3 plus 2, 24 by 5 is equal to F. कितना होता है जी? 5 4s are 20, 4.8 centimeter is equal to focal length. Hold on, positive. It's a convex lens. Focal length is supposed to be on the right. Positive. ठीक है भाई. Answer correct है. 4.8 centimeters. Done. That's how you solve it. एकदम बढ़िया. Yes. Correct? हाँ, nice. Plane mirror. Infinite. If you put parallel rays on the plane mirror, they will reflect back parallelly. Where will they meet? Where do parallel rays meet? Infinite, na? Infinity. Focal length of plane mirror is infinity. Magnification is equal to minus 2 by 3. First thing, important. Object distance given, image distance given, using lens formula, SA, and focal length is given to you 4.8 centimeters. Easy एकदम, बढ़िया. Clear है? Everybody, solve कर लोगे ना? हाँ बोलो, जल्दी बताओ. Okay ना? Very good. चलो. Case study based question. Oh. So when in 2022 this question came, lot of people got scared. Let's read the question and let's see if we also got scared. एक बार क्वेश्चन पढ़ते हैं. It's a case study. 4 marker question है ये. And these questions look scary, but they are not. I will prove it to you. Come on, hungry. Hey. Today I am on fast. कुछ खाया नहीं सुबह से मैंने. I'm still teaching you. तुम बोलोगे hungry हैं? बैठो चुपचाप. Come on. Let's listen to me. A A compound microscope is an instrument which consists of two lenses L1 and L2. Okay. The lens L1 is called objective, forms a real inverted and magnified image of the given object. This serves as the object for the second lens L2, the eyepiece. The eyepiece functions like a simple microscope or magnifier. It produces the final image which is inverted with respect to the original object, enlarged and virtual. When you read this full paragraph, what percentage of this paragraph you got? Yes, Himanshi, you're right. Yes. अरे नहीं सर खाना नहीं खाएंगे सर पढ़ाएंगे फिर खाना खाएंगे जल्दी बताओ when you read this complete paragraph what percentage do you think you understood yes come on what percentage you understood कितने परसेंट दिमाग में आया 2/3 okay yes hello Manat infinity अच्छा जी 2%, 90%, L1 is convex, 0%. I'm telling you, case-based questions, the language is always scary. हमेशा scary होती है language. But तुमको पता है क्या है? This paragraph has told you a lot of things. Just pick out the important terms. नाम, वाम, फालतू चीजें भूल जाओ. Don't focus on unnecessary things. Sir, what do you mean? A compound microscope is an instrument which consists of two lenses L1, L2. ठीक है भैया, we have two lenses L1, L2. There is some instrument L1, L2 are two lenses. ठीक? The lens L1 is called objective. ठीक है? Why do I care? उसका नाम क्या है? मेरे को क्या मतलब है? It forms a real inverted and magnified image of the given object. यार L1 is objective lens. It is giving you real, inverted, magnified. Which lens is L1? You only know two lenses, right? L1 कौन सा lens हो सकता है? Which lens is L1? L1 is convex lens. Sir, why? अरे only convex lens can form real inverted magnified image. Concave थोड़ी कर सकता है. So L1 is convex. है ना? This much तो we got from the paragraph itself. Okay. This serves as the object for the second lens L2, the eyepiece. ठीक है अरे I don't mind, I don't care L2 का नाम क्या है L2 is called as eyepiece ठीक है देख लेते हैं नाम है तो लिख लेते हैं तो है ना ठीक है भाई The eyepiece functions like a simple microscope or magnifier. It produces the final image which is inverted with respect to the original object, enlarged and virtual. अच्छा hey which lens is called as simple microscope? Which lens is called as simple microscope? Or there is one more statement. Which lens can give you enlarged and virtual image? Come on. Bilkul. Kritika, math class 9 ko we have Arsh ma'am here. Arsh ma'am teaches beautifully. You should come to her class and she is doing a lot of one shots nowadays. NCERT exercise chal raha hai. So you need to be regular bachcha. Press subscribe karo aap bhi. Come on. Convex lens. Second is convex. Ekdam. Yes, Naruto. अरे convex. Why? Simple microscope मतलब sir L2 is giving you virtual, magnified and erect image. It is also a convex lens. Just from the paragraph you got these two things. क्या ये इसमें इतना समझ में आया ना भाई? Everybody tell me. This much is clear. It's very simple. The paragraph is telling you all this. भाई तुमने कुछ अलग नहीं किया है ना fine this much we have got ना चलो let's see first question what type of lenses must be L1 and L2 अरे sir we just found out both are convex and by the way if you are thinking what diagram I'm just giving you the diagram it is not given in the question I'm telling you this is what a compound microscope looks like first object right first object will give you real inverted magnified image this will serve as object for the second lens which lens this one and it will form virtual erect and magnified image इस तरफ fine but if you don't know diagram it's okay without diagram you can solve कोई दिक्कत नहीं है भाई कोई जरूरत नहीं है diagram का if you don't know don't understand no problem without diagram you figured out both are convex है ना correct चलो आगे आओ What is the value and sign of magnification according to new Cartesian sign convention of the image formed by L1? L1, tell me. This L1 is giving you real inverted magnified image, right? It is giving you, L1 gives you real inverted magnified image. Which option? A, B, C, D? How to remember ray diagram? Rekha, you practice ray diagram in your rough notebook and once make a proper ray diagram and stick it on the wall. Light chapter mein you have, if you remember ray diagrams of make mirrors, concave, convex, make lenses, convex and concave, you will see similarity and then you will get it. Come on. How is it virtual but still Hey, convex lens also forms virtual image now when it is between optical center and the focus, right? D, yes, come on. Yes, Rajda, it's possible na, bacha? Yes, D. Why? Sir, real inverted means sign will be negative. Magnified means it will be more than 1. Arey wah, matlab option D. Very easy. Okay, let's see. What is the value and sign of magnification of the image formed by L2? L2 gives you what? Paragraph. The case study paragraph told you this. L2 gives you what? Virtual, erect and magnified image. 4 options. Tell me, come on. 4 options. I'm telling you, when you see case-based questions, they will look scary. Please don't be scared. यार डरना नहीं है. जो डर गया, वो घर गया. ठीक है? Hello everyone. Yes, Devanshu says D. Maruti says D. Hey, for this question, the last question. Come on, virtual, erect and magnified. Gayatri says A. Gauri says D. A. Arohi B. B. Come on. D. B. Arey badhiya. Sir, virtual erect. It means sign will be positive. For a virtual erect image, the sign of magnification is positive. And it is magnified, which means the value will be more than 1. कहाँ है? Sir, option B. एकदम easy, बढ़िया. Correct. है ना? चलो. Question number 10. Now, this is the numerical. The power of eyepiece L2 is 5 diopters. Right? Power of L2 is 5 diopters. चलो एक पोली कर लेते हैं. L2 is कितना? Sir, 5 diopters. This is A. This is अच्छा लैपटॉप जाने वाला है यार मेरा. This is B. This is C. And this is D. Probably the last poll of today's session. इसके बाद लैपटॉप चला जाएगा. Come on. The power of eyepiece L2 is 5 diopters and it forms an image at a distance of 80 centimeters from its optical center. At what distance should the object be? Yes. Come on. Snigdha says A. Why light doesn't? Swapnil? I know. Yes, come on. Ask. Yes. B. Siddhant says B. Solve. It's a good question. Yes. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Let's see क्या चल रहा है पोल में. आपने नहीं था. B होगा. ठीक है. Option B is 55%. Okay, B is 55%. What is given to you? Power of eyepiece L2. P is equal to 5 diopters. And this L2 is what? It's a convex lens. Power is given. It forms an image at a distance of 80 centimeters from its optical center. ठीक है भैया. V is equal to 80 centimeters. Plus 80 or minus 80? किसी को ये तो नहीं लग रहा? Sir, V will be backside, तो V should be minus 80. कम ऑन, वी शुड बी प्लस 80 और माइनस 80, प्लस होगा माइनस होगा. हेलो समृद्धि, वेलकम वेलकम. पीछे रह गए आप, अपने क्वेश्चन पूछ लगे. स्वप्निल, आई एम ओके विद द क्वेश्चंस यू आस्क, आई लव दीज क्वेश्चंस, बट यू नो वी हैव टू क्लियर आउट द बेसिक्स. एटलीस्ट ये सब हो जाएगा ना, फिर मजा आएगा आगे की बात करने में ना, फिर बहुत मजा आता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग ये सारे क्वेश्चन क्लियर करते हैं, है ना, फिर आराम से बैठ के व्हेन यू आस्क, समटाइम्स यू हैव सीन आई रिप्लाई यू बैक इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. कभी कभी, हमेशा नहीं कर पाता हूं, बट आई डू बिकॉज आई लव दीज क्वेश्चंस. दीज आर गुड क्वेश्चंस यार. दिस इज व्हाट मेक्स अस टू थिंक. माइनस माइनस प्लस ए, it is L2 is forming what? Sir, virtual, erect and magnified image. If you remember the case, है ना, क्या होता था केस में? Sir, we have a convex lens. This is your principal axis. This is your object. Light ray falls. It passes through focus. Then what happens? Sir, light ray goes like this, and then you trace it back. Tuck, 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 tuck. Oh, and this is where your image is. So, in the virtual, erect, magnified case, V is equal to negative. V is equal to negative, right? Correct. Very good. Very good. Nice, गुंजन. बोर्ड में न्यूमेरिकल ज्यादा नहीं आते हैं. नहीं नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. You get न्यूमेरिकल बच्चा, है ना, न्यूमेरिकल आते हैं पक्का. ये न्यूमेरिकल ही तो है. Till now we have done almost 50% न्यूमेरिकल. That's true. Correct. So V will be minus 80. बच्चों केस बहुत जरूरी है. V is equal to minus of 80 centimeters. Clear? ठीक है सर. Question is where is V? Sorry, where is U? U कहाँ है? That is the question. ठीक ठीक ठीक, fine. If power is given to you, you can find focal length. कितना? Sir, focal length is equal to 1 upon P. मतलब 1 upon 5 means 0.2 meters. That is 20 centimeters. Focal length will be plus or minus? Focal length be plus or minus? Which lens? Sir, convex lens. Convex lens has to the right. Focal length will be positive. Aha, yes. F will be plus 20 centimeters. क्लियर, एकदम बढ़िया, है ना. ठीक है. F कितना होगा सर? प्लस 20 सेंटीमीटर्स. फोकल लेंथ आ गया, V आ गया, फाइन. नाउ U लगाना है, तो 1 अपॉन V माइनस 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. So what do we get? 1 upon V is 1 upon minus 80. माइनस में 1 upon U तो निकालना है, is equal to 1 upon F कितना है जी? 20. कर लो. 1 upon minus 80 minus 1 upon 20 is equal to 1 upon U. कितना आ गया सर? 80 is my LCM. माइनस में 1 माइनस में 4 is equal to 1 upon U. कितना आया सर? माइनस में 5 upon 80 is equal to 1 upon U. U is equal to माइनस में 80 upon 5, मतलब माइनस में 16 सेंटीमीटर. So option B is the right answer. Right? Option B is the right answer. Easy. Clear? Can't we take like this? Oh, Gayatri, I'm sorry, missed your question. Pre-boards नहीं चल रहे होंगे यार अभी तो. Correct? Yes. जल्दी. Clear है ना? Simple numerical, simple case based question, 4 marks, पक्का. Done are done एकदम. बढ़िया. How V is negative? SpongeBob, listen to me. Why V is negative? Remember the case na? See, L2 is forming what? It is forming virtual erect and magnified image. In the case of convex lens, how do you get a virtual erect and magnified image? Sir, this is F, this is F, this is O, this is my object. The light goes like this, passes through focus, then the light passes like this. You trace it back, and what do you get? Sir, I get light image over here. So V is to the left. U is to the left. So V is negative in the case of virtual erect and magnified image in convex lens. Clear? That's why V is negative. बढ़िया है ना? Image is in front of the mirror. Ayush, yes, that's true. In the mirror it is in front. In lens it is backwards. Correct? ठीक है? बहुत बढ़िया. तुम बोल सकते हो whenever virtual erect and magnified case comes ना, image is at the side of object. If it is concave mirror, it is on the other side. मतलब image will be opposite to what it usually does. Concave mirror में हमेशा image बनती है left side ना, towards object. Special case में बनेगी right में. In the convex lens, usually images form to the right. Special case में to the left. That's how you can learn. ठीक है? Fine. चलो भाई. Question number 11. Yes. Question number 11. P equals 1 upon u, so P equals 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. Yes, you can do it, not a problem. Hello Prachi, welcome. On the other side, है ना? साइन कन्वेंशन में गलती हो रही है दिव्यांशु बच्चा. साइन कन्वेंशन के लिए you have to practice more numericals. ये सारे न्यूमेरिकल अभी आज किए ना. एवरीबॉडी लिसन टू मी वेरी केयरफुली. व्हाटएवर क्वेश्चंस, व्हाटएवर न्यूमेरिकल्स वी आर डूइंग टुडे, प्लीज मेक श्योर यू सॉल्व देम अगेन. मैंने फॉर्म दे रखा है इसीलिए, ठीक है. चलो आगे आओ. विच ऑफ द, क्योंकि अभी तो क्या है ना, अभी यू आर डूइंग इट विद मी, यू हैव सम हेल्प, एटलीस्ट आई एम गिविंग सम हिंट, ना चाहते हुए भी. बट व्हेन यू डू इट अलोन यू विल रियलाइज वेयर यू मेक मिस्टेक. बहुत जरूरी है खुद से सॉल्व करना, ठीक है. Which of the following statements is not true for scattering of light? Those are B's. You will say Saren's in love with 220 questions. Yes, Amanat, come on. 4 options. Color of the scattered light depends on the size of particles in the atmosphere. B. Red light is least scattered in the atmosphere. C. Scattering of light takes place as various colors of white light travel with different speed in air. Last one. The fine particles in the atmosphere, air scatter the blue light most strongly. पहली चीज नॉट ट्रू. बी दिवांश सी स्पोर्ट्स सी टेल माय नेम सी. हाँ वेरी गुड. एक बात बताओ, पहली चीज नॉट ट्रू. 10% ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स दे मेक मिस्टेक. व्हाई? बिकॉज दे फॉरगेट टू सी नॉट ट्रू. ऐसा होता है. वी आर सो ब्लाइंडेड बाय द चॉइस ऑफ करेक्ट आंसर कि हम भूल जाते हैं पूछा हुआ है जो गलत है वो बताना है. हम पहला ऑप्शन देखते हैं, सही है, मार दिया. ये नहीं करना, ठीक है. कलर ऑफ स्कैटर्ड लाइट डिपेंड्स ऑन द साइज ऑफ पार्टिकल एटमॉस्फेयर. दैट इज ट्रू भाई, ये तो सही बात है. सर इफ पार्टिकल्स आर स्मॉलर दे विल स्कैटर लोअर वेवलेंथ. इफ पार्टिकल्स आर बिगर दे विल स्कैटर बिगर वेवलेंथ. ओके सर, दिस इज ट्रू. रेड लाइट इज लीस्ट स्कैटर्ड. आहा, व्हाट इज द पोएम? Red scatters the least, bends the least. Red bends the least, scatters the least. Violet bends the most, scatters the most. है ना भाई, सिंपल सी बात है. तो red light is least scattered, least bending. Correct है ना? ठीक है सर, this is also true. Third वाला, scattering of light takes place as various colors of white light travel with different speed in air. No. ये ऑप्शन सी गया भाई लैपटॉप. ऑप्शन सी, it is saying scattering takes place because of white light traveling with different speed in air. गलत है ये तो, right? Dispersion happens because white light travels, right? The spectrum, all the colors of white light travel with different speed when light goes into a different medium, like in a prism. Prism के अंदर इसीलिए dispersion होता है. Scattering तो गलत है भाई, scattering तो अलग ही फंडा है, right? So this is false. Last वाला, the fine particles in the atmospheric air scatter the blue light more strongly than red. So scattered blue light enters our eyes and that's why the sky looks blue. सच बात है. So this is also true. Correct answer क्या हो गया? Option C is the correct answer. एकदम बढ़िया. Correct है ना? Not in air vacuum but in mediums. Yes, correct आरोही. पूरे तरीके से, बहुत बढ़िया. चलो, come on. Question number 12. Assertion reason. Your favorite. तुमको पसंद है ना assertion reason? I know. You guys like assertion reason. सर क्यों मजाक कर रहे हो? Assertion says, while passing through a glass prism, the red component of white light deviates the most and the violet component the least. Okay. Reason says, for glass, the refractive index for violet light is highest and the red light it is lowest. Come on. हाँ सजल, इसीलिए I'm telling you, आप मेरे साथ क्वेश्चन किए ना. So in the Google forms I have given you in the description, उसके अंदर same questions हैं. After 1, 2, 3, 4 days या फिर whenever you are done with revision, you check out that Google form again. You solve all these important previous year questions yourself without any help. If you get stuck, watch the video. That's it. इसीलिए दिया है मैंने तुमको क्योंकि ये 30 क्वेश्चन बहुत जरूरी हैं. And I know you will not come again and again to the video. ये मुझे पता है, तुम नहीं आने वाले दोबारा. इसीलिए फॉर्म दिया मैंने. ओके. देखो assertion reason का वर्किंग मेथड क्या है. चेक आउट assertion, check if it's true or false. Assertion is saying कि भाई while passing through a glass prism, the red component of white light deviates the most and violet the least. अच्छा, अरे if the component which will deviate the most will come to the bottom ना भाई, right? And which will deviate the least will come on top. ऊपर क्या होता है red, नीचे क्या होता है violet. So which color deviates the most? Sir, violet. Violet bends the most, scatters the most. Red bends the least, scatters the least. अरे गलत है भाई, ये तो assertion तो गलत बोल रहा है, झूठ बोल रहा है, ये झूठा है एक नंबर का, right? Hello श्रीमय, welcome. Yes, अमानत, अरे सिस्टम बाद में करना, तुम सुनो तो सही. D, Meenakshi says, right? So assertion is a liar. Correct. Reason: for glass, the refractive index for violet light is highest and for red light it is lowest. The color which bends the most will have a higher refractive index. Simple सी बात है ना? Right? The color which bends the most will have a higher refractive index. जो ज़्यादा bend करेगा मतलब उसका refractive index ज़्यादा ही होगा ना भाई. Means violet bends the most, it has higher refractive index. Red bends the least, it has lower refractive index. Correct है ना? Yes. So reason is true. This is the most easy case. Assertion reason में से if you get any one of them wrong, the life is very sorted. If both are right, then you have to put extra mind, extra effort. ये both are true, but is it explaining assertion? That is separate. अभी तो life आसान है. Assertion is false, reason is true. मतलब सर option D is the right answer. एकदम बढ़िया. ऊपर red है क्योंकि red bends least, नीचे violet है because it bends most. So वही option D हो गया. बढ़िया एकदम clear है ना? Voice is too low. नहीं यार. Shivam, see, बच्चा listen to me. Listen. I'm saying assertion says that red component deviates the most. No, the color which bends the most is violet. Red bends the least, scatters the least. Violet bends the most, scatters the most. याद रख लो इसको, है ना? Yes, come on. Everybody, Yaman is saying voice is too low. Is it low for everybody? हाँ, अशराफ please एक बार comment section याद दिलाना, मैं पक्का दे दूंगा तुमको. Comment section. हाँ, I know सजल होता है बच्चा, कोई बात नहीं. Clear ना, everybody? So reason is true, but assertion is false, and this is an easy question. Correct? है ना? Right? Clear है ना भाई? आवाज ठीक होगी? हाँ, very good. No ना? Very good. चलो, come on. Question 13. Define the term power of accommodation. Can you do it? Can you define the term power of accommodation? Yes. Is it low? क्या बात कर रहे हो? Let me check. La 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 la. किधर है हम? I am here. Yes. Is it low? नहीं यार, ठीक है. Adjusting of focus. It's not that low, right? Or let me just go and check once. अगर तुमको लग रहा है सच में कम है. बचा, it's fine. I have made it to the max. ठीक है, चलो आओ, come on up. हाँ, very good. Power of accommodation. It is the ability of the eye to see near objects and far objects clearly. It is called as power of accommodation. How does it do it? By changing the ciliary muscles, contraction and relaxation. Basically, that's simple. Write the modification in the curvature of the eye lens which enables us to see the nearby object clearly. कौन करता है sir? Ciliary muscles. So first of all, define power of accommodation. 1 mark is done, right? Then tell how do you accommodate. It is by relaxing and contracting ciliary muscles. Let me ask you, when you want to see nearby objects, ciliary muscles are contracted or relaxed? I have practiced this enough. Human eye तुमको मैंने इतना चटवाया है ना, right? We have done so much of human eye I don't think you should make a mistake in this. When your object is close to you, ciliary muscles are contracted or relaxed? Yes. Then in class 8th as well. Oh, nice, Dolly. Good. It becomes thick. Yes, Rekha, you're right. क्या होता है? Nice, Jishna. Good, good, good. Contract, contracted, contract, है ना? You feel the strain in your eyes. आंखों में दर्द हो रहा है हल्का सा when you are looking at your उंगली, है ना? This dard, this pain is the strain. This strain means your ciliary muscles are contracting to make sure the lens becomes thick. आपके लेंस को मोटा करने में लगी हुई है वो, ताकि you can see this. And when your finger is far, nice, आराम मिल रहा है आंखों को, है ना? For far, your ciliary muscles are relaxed. Your lens is thin. बस इतना सा चीज है यार. Correct? So power of accommodation is ability of eye to see objects at different distances. Ciliary muscles are contracted when you want to see nearby objects, and lens is thicker and has a smaller focal length. When lens is thick, it has focal length less. When lens is thin, it has greater focal length. E.g. Right? How to write? कुछ नहीं. Define power of accommodation first. It is the ability of eye lens to adjust its focal length, which helps the eye to see objects at different distances. उसके बाद क्या करना है? The modification in the curvature of eye lens, which enables us to see the nearby object clearly, is the contraction. है ना? क्या होता है? It becomes thicker and consequently the focal length of eye lens get decreased. बस इतनी सी बात है. 2 नंबर पक्के. Correct है ना? Yes. Potential difference open circuit is open circuit. Mass depends on if you just put potential difference for the open circuit, you will not get. Right? EMF की बात करेंगे वो बाद में आएगा वो. It is for for ICSC basically. Ciliary muscles are absent. Shivam, no power of accommodation. And who is holding the lens then? Yes, है ना? Correct. Question 14. Question 14, yeah, it's very easy question. It is based on parts and functions of human eye. What is the function of the following parts of human eyes? Cornea. Cornea काम क्या होता है? What is the job of cornea? Come on. Thank you, Gunjan. Hello, Jolly. Good evening. Yes, Mars, we call it the EMF, electromotive force. So in an open circuit, there are no internal resistances coming into picture. That's why हम बोलते हैं उसको electromotive force. लेकिन यहाँ पर आपको आएगा नहीं. वो दिखाएगा potential of the battery, you can say. Siddhant, correct. That's true. Most of the nice, Rima. That's a very good answer. What is cornea? Anurag, the first layer in your eye, that is the cornea. Allows the light to enter inside the eye, Manish. That is okay. Not perfect, but okay. Half mark you will get. ये क्वेश्चन आ रहा है क्या? सजल, अब यार अगर मैं ऐसे बता दूं तुमको लग रहा है मैं यहाँ खड़ा हूँगा. I will be in the jail if I tell you ये क्वेश्चन आ रहा है क्या? I'm not saying ये क्वेश्चन आ रहा है. I'm saying ये क्वेश्चन आए हुए हैं. तो let's prepare well, है ना? Very good. What is cornea? I told you just now. बच्चों, the parts of human eye, it's a simple thing. Please practice. Practice a very simplistic diagram of eye. First layer is cornea. Then what do we have? Next important thing is the hole in your eye. The hole, आपकी आंख में एक छेद है, right? We call it pupil. This hole becomes big when you go in dark. This hole becomes small when you go in bright light, है ना? Pupil क्या है? आंख का छेद. Fine. उसके बाद we have iris. Iris is what? It is the set of muscles which is changing the size of pupil. Right? This hole can become big and small. How? Because of muscles. Which muscles? Iris, right? So iris is a colored, इसका और भी काम होता है. One of the function is to change the size of pupil. Fine. Then we have the lens. अरे वाह, lens तो बहुत जरूरी है भाई. It is converging the light. Then we have ciliary muscles. These are changing the size of the lens. And then we have retina. ये तो जरूरी है. ठीक है? Fine. Correct. So cornea's function is, it is the first layer in your eye. The light ray in cornea is going from ear to cornea. Maximum bending of light happens at cornea. Sir, फिर lens का काम क्या है? Lens can change the focal length. Lens का काम है not just to converge as per convenience. But cornea पे maximum bending होता है. क्यों? I have done shorts on this. If light goes from air to glass, or when light goes from water to glass, where will the bending be more? Where will the bending be more? अगर light air से glass में जाएगा या फिर water से glass में जाएगा, ज़्यादा bend कहाँ करेगा? where the difference of refractive index is more, means air to glass. Same thing here. Air to cornea, more bending. Correct? Yes, है ना? High bending. Very good. Cornea का clear है भाई? Cornea protects your eye from dust, from external air, pollution, फलाना ढिमकाना, right? है ना? Yes. Next, we have cornea, maximum bending of light. Iris का काम क्या है? Iris controls the size of pupil, which means it controls the amount of light entering into the eye. Correct? Yes. Maybe eye part deleted. No, Shivani. It's there. Correct? Crystalline lens. What is the function of lens? To form the image on retina depending on the position of the object. Lens is the reason you have power of accommodation. I mean lens with ciliary muscles, right? है ना? Lens का काम क्या है? To form the image on the retina. Ciliary muscles का काम क्या है? What is the function of ciliary muscles? To change the thickness of the lens so that you can form a clear image on the retina. Very good. Cornea का refracts rays of light falling on the eye plus protection. Iris controls the size of the pupil and allows different amount of light to enter the eye, e.g. Crystalline lens refracts light to focus the image of objects on retina. Ciliary muscles, they hold the eye lens. नहीं तो eye lens क्या है कि गिर जाएगा. They are holding the eye lens and adjust its focal length to provide power of accommodation. Clear? Done? Very good. Nice. Right? Question 15. 2018 5 marker question. 2018 5 marker question. Come on. A student is unable to see clearly the words written on the blackboard placed at a distance of approximately 3 meters from him. Name the defect of vision the boy is suffering from and state the possible causes of this defect and explain the method of correcting it. 5 number का question है. First of all, tell me what is the defect? 5 mark आ गया. Yes, 5 mark का था क्या? Defect is called as, Gunjan says, myopia. Vitreous humor. Divanshu, this is present between your lens and your retina. That is called as vitreous humor. It gives shape to your eye. Hypermetropia, Ashraf says. Myopia. That I'll do, pakka. And you can tell me in the comment section. Myopia. Whatever is written in this question, that is the story of a lot of students. Same thing happened with me. Like in my classroom, I was figuring, अरे यार बोर्ड पे क्या लिखा है यार? क्या लिखा है? Can you read it? हाँ, I can read it. I cannot read it. क्या हो गया मेरे को? Far objects, not good. Near objects, fine, right? Correct. Myopia, short word, short-sightedness or near-sightedness. Means near objects good, far objects not good. It goes like this. Myopia, short word, short-sightedness, near-sightedness. Hypermetropia, sir, long word, long-sightedness, far-sightedness. Far objects good, near objects not good. That is hypermetropia. In myopia, sir, short-sightedness or near-sightedness means near objects good, far objects not good. This boy has what? This boy has myopia, right? This boy has myopia. Correct? है ना? Very good. Everyone knew what happened? I just saw please. Correct? 15 question, na? Bhai, name the defect of vision. It is myopia. Possible causes. Causes of myopia. Come on. What happened to the power of eye lens? Anurag, I'll tell you. Don't worry. Hypermetropia, decrease in the eyeball, increase in the focal length. Trisha, this is not hypermetropia, bacha. When, see, board is far, no? Means far objects not good. Near objects good. Correct. It is short-sightedness. Yes, Gauri, you asking please. कौन सा question है? This is question 15. It is given over here. देखो, question number 15. Yes. Eyeball. Elongation of eyeball. Okay. See, everybody, people who have attended human eye properly, you know the method. Sir, what is the method? You are telling me it is myopia. ठीक है? Myopia में क्या होता है? Sir, myopia means near-sightedness or short-sightedness. Okay, short objects are good, far objects are not good. To see a short object, what do you need? A thin lens or thick lens? To see a near object, what do you need? A thin lens or thick lens? Sir, I want a thick lens. Okay. if you can see near objects means your lens can become thick. No problem in that, है ना? Lens thick हो सकता है, उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. दिक्कत कहाँ है? What is the problem? Sir, to see a far object, I want a thin lens, but my lens is not able to become thin. Thick तो होता है बढ़िया, thin नहीं हो पाता है ना? That is the problem. And when your eye lens is thick, ठीक है? Thick eye lens, right? So when your eye lens is thick, यहाँ तक clear है? When your eye lens is thick, it will converge more or converge less? When your lens becomes thick, it will converge more or converge less? Sir, it will converge more, right? When your lens becomes like this, it will converge more, na? Bhai, a thin lens, let's say, converges over here. Your thick lens will converge over here only, right? So your image will be formed in front of retina. In the case of myopia, image is formed in front of retina. Clear? Jaldi batao. है ना? Why thick? Raja ji, listen to me. To see a near object, you feel the strain in your eye. This strain is because of ciliary muscles trying to make your lens thick. They are contracting. That is why thick. ठीक है? To see a near object, you want to converge more, right? है ना? ठीक है? तो यानी कि lens becomes thick, image is formed in front of retina, है ना भाई? In front of retina. Second characteristic. Third characteristic. So this is one reason. This is what is happening. Now you tell me. Image is forming in front of retina. One reason could be the lens becomes thick. Second reason could be your light rays were supposed to converge over here. Your retina should be here. What if you move your screen backwards? Right? Image is formed in front of retina. What if your retina goes back? Getting my point? Right now also, image is formed in front of retina. Lekin, lens was good. Problem is, your retina went back. Kaise? Elongation of eyeball. Your eyeball became long. It could be because of some genetic issues, could be because of accident. But your eyeball became long means your retina went backwards. तुम्हारा lens ठीक है, आपकी screen चली गई पीछे, right? So your retina goes back, or you can say elongation of eyeball. Clear? Yes, thank you for existing. Oh, nice. I'm also happy. Correct, everybody. Same type of thing works for hypermetropia. I have done this in human eye chapter. Please watch if you feel confused, because this is something, it works for a lot of students. All my students have this on fingertips. ऐसे उंगलियों पे उनके myopia, hypermetropia, nobody cramps. कोई रटता ही नहीं है. ठीक है? Please use this if you feel it is helpful. ठीक है? बाकी तुम्हारी मर्जी. ठीक है? बढ़िया. State the possible causes. I told you. Explain the method of correcting it. अच्छा ठीक है. Now let me ask you. Explain the method of correcting it. Your lens is converging more, na? Your lens is thick. It is converging more. What it should do? Sir, to correct, it should converge less. So how to make something converge less? If you add a diverging lens. Arey wah, sir, I will use a concave lens. This is your corrective lens. Done. एक भी चीज रटने की जरूरत नहीं है. Yes, concave lens. Clear? Now you tell me, is it okay to just write the word concave lens, or will you draw the diagram? That is my question to you. नंबर पे ध्यान देना और फिर बोलना. Is it okay to just say concave lens, or is it a good thing to draw diagram also? Yes. Power mode to maintain power. Yes. हाँ. So somebody was asking na power. So power in myopia क्या हो जाता है लेंस का power? If lens becomes thick, means power becomes more. Yes. Jishna, okay, I'll come to that. Diagram ना, no rectification, very good. Diagram ना, see, 5 marker question है, इसको देनी पड़ेगी इज्जत, है ना? अब 5 marker questions क्या मांगता है? इज्जत. मतलब diagram बना दो, अच्छा रहेगा. बेकार नंबर कट जाएंगे, बना दो, है ना? डरने का नहीं. So what will you do? Sir, it is a myopic vision, that is for sure. Causes are longer eyeball, thicker eye lens, very good. Diagram wise, you will say concave lens. What? Two things important. Sir, this is the far point of normal eye. This here is the far point of myopic eye, right? है ना? So आपने एकदम concave lens लगाया, फिर you will get the image at retina very quickly. Rough diagram you make, it's good. But these 2 points are very important. ये दोनों point mention कर दोगे ना, बस examiner इतना खुश हो जाएगा, हो सकता है extra number दे दे. Hey, I'm just joking. But at least examiner will be so happy by looking at it. No, they will get the confidence कि यार ये बच्चा ना brilliant है. इसको ना, you get relaxed. अगर कोई आपको लगता है ना which some notebook is very dirty कुछ भी लिखा हुआ है, then you have to be very alert. ये पक्का गलती करेगा, I have to check properly. But when you give no reasons, ऐसे अच्छे काम करोगे ना, examiner will feel like वाह क्या बढ़िया बच्चा, अरे वाह लो तुम अच्छे नंबर दो, ठीक है, fine. So that's why. Gauri, I'm sorry बच्चा, I can only see please. Yes. In perspective after effect, no, Mars, no, don't go to Dr. Effect. अरे class 11 sound में आएगा यार, अभी नहीं जाना. Use a darker. Oh, Gauri, use a darker pen for this. Hey, yellow works better, na? Darker pen if I use, then it will be problem, na? Correct? 6 marks. Next. That's how you will answer all these things. Fine. Why do stars twinkle? Explain. तारे टिमटिमाते क्यों हैं? Yes. Scattering. Ashraf. No. Madhu, dark pen on screen, kya? Hey, screen pe if I use dark pen, then it will be difficult for you to read. Okay, I'll use a dark pen, ठीक है? If I use blue color, can you see anything? Tell me. Right? In the pink one. Okay, instead of yellow, if you want, I can use red. I think that should be most easy. White is fine. Jaldi batao. Oh, nice. Jishna has the answer. Atmospheric refraction. That's correct. See, why do stars twinkle? Actual position of star is different, but when the light from the star reaches your eye, it is not coming straight. In between, it has so much to cross. What is it? Sir, it is the layer of atmosphere. You are sitting under an ocean of air, right? So which means this light from the star is traveling through so much of atmosphere. And this atmosphere compared to vacuum is slightly denser. We say air vacuum are same. For smaller distances it's okay, but atmosphere so it's so much, na, right? So light from the actual position of star comes in the atmosphere and keeps bending towards normal. Why? Because of different refractive indexes of different layers of atmosphere. है ना भाई? If you go very high, refractive index will be less. If you come near to the surface, refractive index will be more. है ना भाई? सच बात है. So you don't see the actual star. What do you see? You see a apparent position of the star. है ना भाई? You see a apparent position. You can't hear my voice. Nagarajan, is it? Why? अच्छा ठीक है. Wait. I'll bring it down. Is it fine? अब ठीक है जी, जल्दी बताओ. I hope it is clear now. Yes. Has animation of this topic, Vipin? Yes, guys, everybody. That's why I'm saying go and check out BYJU'S learning app. Visualization ऐसे मिलेंगे. I can give you a guarantee it is nowhere in the market. और कहीं है ही नहीं. Yes, चलो आगे आओ. So what you are seeing an apparent position of the star. No, not the real one. अब light is passing through this whole atmosphere, but atmosphere is not like still. Atmosphere keeps on shifting. There is turbulence in the atmosphere. So that's why your light ray keeps going here and there. So what will you see? Your star is going ऐसे. Here. That's what this is called as twinkling of star. Yes, है ना? Voice is okay na? Thank you, Madhu. Correct. So the twinkling of stars. See, white I don't use because if I use white na, it is white and that white will mix. So yellow is better. The twinkling of stars is due to atmospheric refraction of starlight. The atmosphere is made up of several layers of different optical densities, and the starlight undergoes refraction continuously before it reaches the earth. Now, the star, it appears slightly higher than its actual position, and as this apparent position keeps on changing, this is what we call as twinkling. Hence, the apparent position of star fluctuates and the amount of starlight entering the eye flickers because star acts as a point source of object. Why don't planets twinkle? Because planets are extended source of object, right? Oh sorry, extended source of light, correct है ना? Sir क्या हुआ? Yes. Just now because when you go higher na, gases are very less. That's why we say refractive index is less. Yes, अनुराग क्या हुआ? अरे क्या हो गया भाई? If there is no atmosphere, Piyush, then you will see the exact star if there is no atmosphere. But if there is no atmosphere, then you won't be there. So फिर तो बात ही खत्म हो गई, है ना? Bigger, very good. चलो, come on. Question 16. When a ray of light passes through a glass prism, it suffers two refractions. During these refractions, the light ray bends. 2022, one marker question. Easy question. Yes. Hello, Ria. Come on. Everybody, see, listen to me. All of you are 10th graders. I'm hoping. Some of you might be 9th graders. कुछ शायद हो सकते हैं 6 to 8 के भी हो. But all of you are 10th graders. अभी time आ गया है where we shouldn't be scared of long sessions. I'm telling you. The time is coming where we will have long sessions and I will ask you if you stay. Guarantee है भला हो जाएगा. I can guarantee you that you will learn something new, right? So that's why I'm saying today also session is going to stretch. I'll try to finish by 9:30, but everything I'm doing today is going to be super beneficial to you if you stay till the end. छोड़ सकते हो. I'm not saying don't stay, है ना? लेकिन बहुत जरूरी है. तो डरना नहीं है. Come on. See. Ah, nice. Very good. During these refractions, the light ray bends towards the base. See? Hey. अरे सुन तो लो. Question में क्या है? Prism. Glass slab है, prism है. This is glass slab. If you're airplane, that's true. But airplane is also not like outside the atmosphere, but their refraction is less. C is the right answer. अरे everybody इतना गलत आंसर कैसे हो रहा है? अरे glass prism है. I'm not saying glass slab. If I would have said glass slab, then you would have said, sir, light ray bends towards normal on the first surface, bends away from normal on the second surface. This is in the case of glass slab. But here what do we have? We have a prism. What do we have? We have a prism. Means on the first surface, light ray bends towards the base of the prism. On the second surface, light ray bends again towards the base of the prism. Mistake हो गया. ऐसे एग्जाम में नहीं करना. I'm telling you again. इतने कॉन्फिडेंस से सी बोल रहे हैं सब हैं. अरे this is true for a glass slab, not a glass prism यार. Glass prism में first interface is air to glass. Light ray will bend towards normal, है ना? Correct. Second interface is glass to air. Light ray will bend away from normal. अरे लेकिन but in both the cases it is bending towards the base, है ना? Both the cases में it is bending towards the base. देखो ध्यान से. Bending towards the base. Yes sir. First, second वाला towards the base. अरे तो option B नहीं हो गया ठीक? Yes. So does refraction happen or not? Yes, refraction happens, but less. As you go very high, refraction is less. Yes. बिल्कुल careful रहना है भाई. आपने सही करा था. Good. Nice पूर्वी. Good. आपने सही किया था ना. हाँ कोई बात. अरे I'm not saying तुमने गलत किया. I'm just saying I saw a lot of C's. मेरा तो दिल बैठ गया ना भाई. कमजोर दिल है यार. ऐसा मत करो मेरे साथ. ठीक है? Fine. चलो, come on. Question number 17. What is a rainbow? इंद्रधनुष क्या होता है? What is a rainbow? Draw a label diagram to show the formation of a rainbow. पहली चीज, what is a rainbow? क्या होता है जी rainbow? क्या बोलोगे? Yes. 2019 3 marker question है ये. 2019 3 marker question. Yes. That's true, Anurag. That's correct. Nice. You can say that. पिछले for the last question, no? हाँ. Yes. This is sale or something else? Spelling गलत है यार उसकी. Rising gaming. Refraction. Yes. Or if you're talking about 50% sale, that is different. Spectrum. Good. That's true. What is a rainbow? Sir, rainbow, it's a spectrum. White light gets dispersed because of the water droplets in the atmosphere, right? And that's what creates this spectrum of 7 colors in the form of a semicircle, which is not a semicircle, it's circular spectrum. This will give you a rainbow. Okay, ये हो गया rainbow. Draw a labeled ray diagram. I'm saying learn this. It's not difficult. Sir, rainbow ho. Nahi. Just one droplet. I'm not saying a lot of droplets. Just one droplet. It has 3 things. First, on the first surface, it goes inside the droplet, right? What happens? Sir, we have refraction and dispersion. Splitting also happens, right? है ना? And refraction also happens. ठीक है, sir. On the first surface, refraction and dispersion. Then the light comes on the second surface. On the second surface, it does internal reflection. Hey, oh, अरे तो गलती हो गई यार. This is total internal reflection, है ना? Correct? सही बात है? Yes or no? Yes. Hello, Sakshi. Yes. White light through drops of water. Oh, drops of water. Oh, nice. Very good. Drops of water. Yes. Partial. Okay. Arohi. Good. Very good. Rising Gaming, I think just talk to one of your fathers, no? You will get to know what's happening over there. Huh? Hai na? Yes. हाँ देख लिया मैंने. नहीं. Yes. Okay. Prism. तो नहीं होगा. Good. Partial. देखो पहली चीज. It will not be total internal reflection. Yes. No. Arohi, that's wrong. Check it out. Do the math. It will not be total. This will be partial internal reflection. If you are confident, then say partial. If you are not confident, don't say anything. Just say internal reflection. But do not say total internal reflection. Yes, correct, है ना? Please do not say total internal reflection because partial / internal is fine. But total will be wrong. बस वो गलत हो जाएगा. Correct, है ना? Very good. First dispersion, refraction, second total. No, Sonia, total नहीं है. It will not be total. Right? It should not be total. Very good. Correct. है ना? Partial. बढ़िया. Partial लिखो या internal लिखो, but total मत लिखना यार. Total लिखोगे ना गलत हो जाएगा. Correct? बहुत अच्छे. Then we have refraction. Oh, nice. Why not total? Well, sir, see, you have a water droplet, right? If you do the math, I have done the math, right? If you do the math, water का refractive index होता है कितना? It's 4/3, right? 1.33. Use this math and figure out that आपका कभी भी critical angle से ना ऊपर जाएगा ही नहीं. It will never go more than critical angle. So internal, that is total internal reflection is not possible. बस partial का मतलब क्या हुआ? It means partial का मतलब पता है क्या हुआ? Partial means that not all the light is coming back. Some of the light is going outside also. Some of the light is going outside also. Light बाहर भी जा रहा है, लेकिन थोड़ा सा अंदर भी आ रहा है. Partial refraction, think about it. आप जब जाते हो, when you go to a lake or when you go to a swimming pool, when you look at the surface of swimming pool, can you see yourself? है ना? क्यों? It is partial reflection. Similarly, here we have partial reflection. Correct? है ना? हाँ, very good. Partial का मतलब क्या हुआ? अमित, partial का मतलब हुआ बेटा कि सारी लाइट अंदर नहीं आएगी, पूरी लाइट रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं होगी, राइट? थोड़ी सी लाइट बाहर निकल जाएगी, थोड़ी सी अंदर आ जाएगी. दैट इज व्हाई वी आर कॉलिंग इट पार्शियल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन, है ना? यस, वेरी गुड. सेकंड, यहां पर क्या हो जाएगा? रिफ्रैक्शन. सो ये डायग्राम प्लीज प्रैक्टिस, है ना? ये पूछ लेते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग यू. यस, आई एम टेलिंग यू प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस डायग्राम. करेक्ट है ना? यस, वेरी गुड. सो आंसर कैसे लिखोगे? How will you write the answer? A rainbow is a natural spectrum. Artificial थोड़ी है, natural है. Natural spectrum appearing in the sky after a rain shower. It is caused by dispersion of sunlight by tiny water droplets present in the atmosphere. Correct? The water droplets in the atmosphere, they act like small prisms and they refract and disperse the incident sunlight. क्या रिक्वायरमेंट होती है? सन शुड बी बिहाइंड यू ना, सनलाइट पीछे से आना चाहिए, वाटर ड्रॉपलेट पड़ना चाहिए एंड शुड कम टू योर आईज. बस करेक्ट है ना? यस. रिफ्लेक्टेड इंटरनली एंड रिफ्रैक्टेड अगेन व्हेन इट कम्स आउट ऑफ द रेन ड्रॉप. और ये रहा डायग्राम. प्लीज डायग्राम प्रैक्टिस करें एवरीबॉडी. आई नो वी डोंट प्रैक्टिस अ लॉट ऑफ डायग्राम. आई नो दैट. होता है ऐसा. When you are practicing questions ना, we all love to solve numerical. Subjective question plus diagram, very less people practice. सच बोल रहा हूँ? जल्दी बताओ. Yes. भाई लोग सुनो. एग्जाम में लाइट से 5. बिल्कुल पूर्वी, you're right. What does spectrum mean? Aromax. Spectrum means you can say it's a mixture, but स्कैटर्ड. जैसे कि डिस्पर्जन में क्या होता है, विबग्योर आता है, बट ऐसा नहीं है वॉयलेट अलग है, इंडिगो अलग है, कंटिन्यूअस लाइन है ना, उसको बोलते हैं स्पेक्ट्रम. यस, कम ऑन, आई एम न्यू. वेलकम जसीम. यस, कम ऑन एवरीबॉडी. डू यू प्रैक्टिस डायग्राम्स एंड सब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस प्रॉपर्ली? यस. योर फर्जी नहीं यार. हाँ जी. यस ना, ट्रू, वेरी गुड. So I'm telling you, please practice diagram यार. Please don't leave diagrams. फालतू के नंबर कट जाएंगे, नहीं करना है हमको ऐसा, ठीक है? एक बार लगेगा, बस कम से कम रफ में बना के प्रैक्टिस करते रहो, बट प्लीज प्रैक्टिस. फाइन. केवल ऐसे नहीं करना, जस्ट रीड द क्वेश्चन, सब्जेक्टिव है, मेरे को पता है, चलो आगे ना. एक बार लिख के प्रैक्टिस करना है. आ रहा है तो वो हमेशा पार्ट्स में ही आते हैं क्या? दिव्यांशु नहीं. वी हैड वन क्वेश्चन ना, इट वाज अ न्यूमेरिकल फुल 5 मार्कर. जरूरी नहीं है, बट नॉर्मली दे कम. ठीक, फाइन. क्वेश्चन 18 5 मार्कर क्वेश्चन. तुमने बुलाया और हम चले आए. क्वेश्चन 18 देखो. फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ रेजिस्ट, इट्स अ न्यूमेरिकल बाय द वे. फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ रेजिस्टेंसेस ऑफ 2 कॉपर रॉड्स x and y of length 30 centimeters and 10 centimeters respectively and having radii 2 centimeters and 1 centimeters respectively. First वाला A. You can say 2.5 mark, 2.5 mark. I'm good यार. गौरी, how are you? बिल्कुल मान्य हो सकता है, अभी तो बहुत प्रैक्टिस करेंगे यार हम लोग. Yes, come on. Ratio of resistances of 2 copper rods x and y of length 30 centimeters and 10 centimeters respectively and having radii 2 centimeters and 1 centimeter respectively. निकाल सकते हो रेशियो. जैसे I will solve numerical, but you also solve. Example of total internal reflection. हाँ, Mohit, good question. Total internal reflection. One example is optical fibers. Another example is you take the glass of water और नीचे से देखना उसको. You will feel कि ऊपर ना शाइनी है बहुत ज्यादा, ऐसा लगेगा मिरर है वो. That is TIR. Yes. अरे संजय, वेलकम. First, okay, nice. Hello, बीजू बेबी. 3:2. First में ज्यादा होगा. Okay. How to write 5 marker question? Shivam, don't worry बच्चा. I'm showing you each and every question. If it's a 5 marker, I'm telling you exactly how to write the answer, है ना? हाँ. Come on. To apply resistivity formula. सिद्धार्थ नहीं. Come on. हाँ सुनो, अरे सुनो ना. रेशियो, हाँ रेजिस्टिविटी का फॉर्मूला तो लगाना पड़ेगा. यू आर राइट, दैट्स ट्रू. क्या दिया हुआ है सर? रॉड x एंड रॉड y. लेंथ ऑफ x कितना है सर? इट इज 30 सेंटीमीटर्स. लेंथ ऑफ y कितना है सर? इट इज 10 सेंटीमीटर्स. करेक्ट. Radius of x is 2 centimeters. Radius of y is 1 centimeters. What is asked? Resistance is asked. What is resistance? Sir, R equals rho L upon A. Means Rx upon Ry is equal to rho. अच्छा, एक बात बताओ. If material is same, what happens to resistivity of 2 copper rods? This is a clue. Question आपको हिंट देके चला गया, right? It is a clue. 2 copper rods. अच्छा सर, 2 copper rods के मतलब तो मटेरियल सेम है, मतलब रेजिस्टिविटी सेम है. अरे वाह सर. रो Lx अपॉन एरिया. व्हाट इज एरिया सर? पाई आर स्क्वायर, पाई इंटू आर एक्स का स्क्वायर अपॉन रो Ly अपॉन पाई आर वाई का स्क्वायर. अब कुछ नहीं बचा, सॉल्व करना बचा यार. द नेक्स्ट इज वेरी सिंपल थिंग. सर Lx अपॉन Ly मीन्स 30 अपॉन 10. then you want pi into r y का square, 1 का square upon pi into 2 का square. solve कितना आ रहा है सर? 30 upon 10 into 4. अरे वाह सर, this is 3:4. done. 3:4. getting it? Yeah, Jishna, please have your dinner, bacha. It's okay. Hello, Arvind. Yes. Acha, oh, Sanjay is saying hi, Arvind. Okay, nice. Same. Good. Nice. Got the same answer ना? Correct. भैया लेंथ दिया हुआ है, ये सब दिया हुआ है, सॉल्व कर लो फटाफट. लेंथ ये एरिया, लेंथ रेडियस एरिया, रेजिस्टेंस इज आर, इतना सॉल्व करने का 3:4 इज द आंसर. एकदम आसान. डू इट. बढ़िया. नेक्स्ट. अच्छा, बाय द वे, दिस इज हाउ यू राइट अ गुड आंसर. एवरीथिंग व्हाट इज गिवन टू यू फर्स्ट, है ना भाई? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट एवरीथिंग व्हाट इज गिवन टू यू, देन राइट द फॉर्मूला, then solve it and then give the answer properly. This is a good way of solving. ये देख के ना एग्जाम इधर मतलब खुश हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, फाइन. गलत हो गया कोई बात नहीं, सुनिए, इट्स ओके. अभी गलती हुआ तो अच्छी बात है ना, आगे नहीं होगा, इट्स अ गुड थिंग. करेक्ट. चलो आगे आओ. A current of 500 milliampere flows in a series circuit containing an electric lamp and a conductor of 10 ohms. When connected to a 6 volt battery, find the resistance of the electric lamp. अरे easy question है यार, come on. सीरीज में है या पहले में कैसे बदलेगा? मान्या क्वेश्चन ने दिया है. In a series circuit, question told you. Yes, come on. गलत है क्यों? अरे नहीं, गलत नहीं है. Yes, clear. Come on. अरे राम. अरे क्या हो गया रॉन्ग? जल्दी बताओ. 3:4 ही तो आएगा. यू आर गेटिंग 4:3 क्या? हार्दिक सेज 2. ओके, आई गॉट वन आंसर बच्चों. यस, आई एम नॉट सेइंग राइट और रॉन्ग, आई एम सेइंग आई गॉट वन आंसर. आंसर इज 2 ohms. अरे टेल मी द मिस्टेक, देन आई विल टॉक टू यू. You tell me in the comment section. But it's an easy question what you're asking. Deepak, what I'm saying, bacha, in last question is, देखो, first of all, find the area, right? Length is given to you, radius is given to you. Length is given, radius is given, find the area, because rho L upon A it is, no? Find, put it in the formulas, put the values, you will get 3/4. And I solved it here in front of you. यहाँ पर तो मैंने solve किया था. अरे नहीं, कहाँ solve किया था मैंने? मिट गया क्या? Oh yes, I solved it here. 3:4 ही तो आ रहा है आंसर. Yes, come on. ठीक है, अगला वाला बताओ. वहां रेडियस अलग है. अरे नहीं, अच्छा रेडियस अलग दिया है क्या? कहाँ पे? 2 सेंटीमीटर एंड 1 सेंटीमीटर. 2 सेंटीमीटर रेडियस है, 2 सेंटीमीटर, 1 सेंटीमीटर, 1. सही तो है. ये 3:4 ही आएगा दोस्त. Yes, ठीक है. एक बार चेक करो आप, 3:4 ही आएगा. 6 volt battery, find the resistance of the electric lamp. अरे you tell me, in series current remains different or same? Sir, current remains the same, which means voltage is given to you, one resistance is given to you, and one resistance is not known. So current I will be how much? Sir, 6 upon total resistance, 10 plus R. I is equal to 500 milliampere, means milli means into 10 to the power of -3 ampere. तो 6 upon 10 plus R is equal to 0.5. करेक्ट? यानी कि it will be 60. 5 से 12. 12 is equal to 10 plus R. So R is equal to 2 ohms. सर आ गया 2. Easy एकदम, है ना? करेक्ट. Which question? राजीव, this is question number 19th, if I'm not wrong. I is equal to 0.5. Voltage is given to you. Resistance conductor is given to you. Write the total resistance. Solve it, you get 2 ohms. Easy question एकदम, है ना? सही है ना? हाँ, यस, पूर्वी सही है, सही. अरे I know यार. Question 19. अरे वाह, famous question. This is a famous question because whenever I teach electricity, Ohm's law, I mention this question हर बार. 2019 से आ रहा है. In the experiment to study the dependence of current on the potential difference across a resistor, a student obtained a graph as shown. ठीक. What does the graph depict about the dependence of current on the potential difference? What does this graph tell you about the dependence of current on the potential difference? Come on, first wala to very easy yaar. Yes, good, no? Nice. My mistake. It's okay, Siddhan, not a problem. Hello, Shikhar. Yes, come on, come on, come on. What does this graph tell you? क्या बता रहा है ये? Uniform. Okay. 1 upon resistance. Arohi, good. Yes. Think about it. Question is telling you very simply what? As you increase the voltage, current increases uniformly. And I know that is what you mean. I proportional to V. Yes, that's true. Correct, है ना? Directly proportional. है भाई sir, V is proportional to I. It is telling you Ohm's law in simple words, right? What does the graph tell you? It tells you that V is proportional to I. है ना? The potential difference V across the two ends of a conductor is proportional, directly proportional to the electric current flowing through the conductor at a given temperature. Important. At a given temperature. ये चीज नहीं भूलना. So whenever you are writing the statement of Ohm's law, very good. Nice. Whenever you are writing the statement for Ohm's law, please don't forget this small thing. At constant temperature. क्यों? If you change the temperature, resistance changes means current changes, है ना? So that's why I'm telling you at constant temperature जरूरी word है. ठीक है? Fine. Very good. V proportional to I, that is Ohm's law. अगला question क्या है? What is the second part? Find the current that flows through the resistor when the potential difference across it is 2.5. Hey, second वाले के लिए voltage is given to you. You have to find the current. 2.5. Nice. Slope gives 1 by R. ठीक है. 2 by 5. रुद्रांश. 2 by 5. बिल्कुल. अरे वाह असाद, 11th को प्री बोर्ड है बच्चा, फुल कॉन्फिडेंस में जाओ. एंड ये आज के जो क्वेश्चन है ना, इनको अच्छे से करके जाना. टुडेज क्वेश्चंस प्लीज डू इट प्रॉपर्ली. और उससे पहले ना जस्ट रिवाइज थिंग्स. 11 तारीख को है ना, उससे पहले रिवाइज अच्छे से कर लेना, बिकॉज यू हैव कंप्लीटेड द सिलेबस. ये तो मेरे को पता है. 2.5 2. अरे रेजिस्टेंस कितना है? From this slope, can you find the resistance? Because if you know the resistance, whatever V is given to you, you can find I, not a problem. Resistance निकाल सकते हो? Can you find resistance? Sir, slope. What is the slope? Sir, slope of this graph will give me what? What is the slope? Sir, slope is change in y-axis, right? Change in y-axis. But what is y-axis? Current. Delta I upon slope is change in y-axis upon change in x-axis. What is x-axis? It is V. Delta I upon delta V क्या देगा? अरे V upon I is equal to R. I upon V is equal to 1 upon R. So this will give you 1 upon R. So delta I upon delta V यानी कि sir 0.2 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon R. So you can say R is equal to 10 ohms. Nice. है ना भाई? R is equal to 10 ohms. Correct? R is equal to 10 ohms. V is given to you how much? 2.5 volts. So I will be how much? Sir, V upon R. So that is 2.5 upon में 10. It is 0.25 amperes. Easy question. Correct? है ना? 10 ohm आ गया resistance, current आ गया 0.25 amperes. Easy question है ये. ये वन बेसिक. Hey, Khushbu ma'am might have done it, no? Khushbu ma'am का session है. Are you not watching those top 30 questions from R.D. Sharma, Exemplar and NCERT? Yes. अरे संजय क्यों लड़ाई करवा रहे हो यार? डर लग रहा है? अरे नहीं, प्री बोर्ड से नहीं डरने का. आई एम टेलिंग यू बच्चों, प्री बोर्ड कोई नहीं छोड़ेगा. वैसे तो घर वाले छोड़ने नहीं देंगे तुमको, बट स्टिल कभी दिमाग में आना प्री बोर्ड आई एम नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड, गो अच्छे से दो एग्जाम. इफ आई टेल यू, पता है मेरे 10th में आए थे 89.2. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि बहुत बढ़िया थे. 89.2 वाज गुड. तुमको पता है मेरे प्री बोर्ड में कितने थे? गैस करो. जस्ट गैस वंस हाउ मच आई वुड हैव गॉट इन माय प्री बोर्ड. कितने आए होंगे? गुड इवनिंग रेवंत. मिस्ड इट आउट. इट्स ओके, इट्स ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बाय द वे. यस Hello, Yan. Nice biscuit. A. Go to go. Yes, 70. 100. 78 out of 18 science. In my pre-board, I got around 75 to 80%. In my bio, I got 99 marks in my pre-board. That is a good thing. Lekin, my science and math was okay. My SST, my English, my Hindi was very bad. Right? So that's why I was not very good in English, in SST. But in my pre-board, I got 89.2. So I'm saying pre-board na, give it very properly, because after that the 1 month उसमें जान लगा देनी है, सर से लेके चोटी तक का जोर लगा देना है, ठीक है? I'm telling you, after pre-boards the 1 month that you will get, no, उसमें बिल्कुल भी रेस्ट नहीं लेना है, full जान लगानी है, and then you will see board में ना मजे आ जाएंगे, ठीक है? Clear? हाँ, S-Chan, yeah, it's a good book, Geeta. But please finish NCERT exemplar first. Assertion reason, question number 20. Come on everybody, half an hour more, jaldi. Alloys are commonly used in electrical heating devices like electric iron and heater. This is your assertion. Yes. Reason says, resistivity of an alloy is generally higher than that of its constituent metals, but the alloy have low melting point than their constituent metals. Hanji. Tell me first about assertion. Assertion सच है गलत है ना? But your books are all good. I'm telling you. Sample papers you ask me, MTG, Oswald, both are good. MTG I like thoda sa better, but both are good, right? Book of Pearson, S-Chan, they're also good books. But I'm saying NCERT exemplar previous year questions, and if you do that much, nobody can stop you from getting more than 90% in boards. But if you do that properly. Parallel mein kaise pata chalega? Question will give you. Resistors and series of parallel will give you given the question itself. True hai, false hai? True. ROE says true. Alloys are commonly used in electrical heating devices like electric. That is true यार, ये तो सही है एकदम. Alloy तो होते हैं. Nichrome क्या है? Alloy है ना? Nickel and chromium का. Fine. Reason. Resistivity of an alloy is generally higher than that of its constituent metals. सही तो लग रहा है ना? Feels correct only. But the alloys have low गंदा कर दिया इसने लास्ट में ना. But the alloys have low melting point than their constituent metals. यार एक बात बताओ. If alloys are used in heating devices and alloys have low melting point, why would someone use alloy? कोई sense है इस बात का? You tell me that. Yes, tell me. In the reason, if alloys have low melting point, why would someone use them in the heating elements? कोई sense है इस बात का? नहीं ना? Right? Correct? What is tungsten? और को tungsten is the metal which is used in making filament bulbs, right? है ना? तो ये तो false हो गया ना भाई. Reason is false, assertion is true. Correct answer would be what? Option C. Correct? Yes, हाँ. Alloys have normally high melting point. Correct? Yes. Right? बढ़िया? चलो. Come on. Question number 21. Oh, nice question यार. I love this question. I really wished I could have given you poll in this question. मेरे को सच में देखना है कितने लोग सही करते हैं. ये क्वेश्चन ना बड़ा प्यारा क्वेश्चन है. जरा सी नजर हटी दुर्घटना घटी in this question. Make some hard questions. Hardik, this is for you. Come on. Yes. रुद्रांश, अरे तुम कमेंट सेक्शन में देना यार. You are हाँ पूरा नहीं पढ़ा. It's okay, not a problem. D. Sanjay says D. Come on. Ashraf says C. Geeta, you're right. A, D, C. A, C. D, Revant. Ayan, C. Arohi, A, B, C. Geeta, you're right, I told you. D, C, D, C, D, C, D, C, D, C, D. पहले ये बताओ. Voltmeter connected in parallel. Ammeter connected in series. That is also true. ठीक है? The side connecting to the positive terminal becomes positive. The side connecting to negative terminal becomes negative. तो ये तो भाई पक्का है, right? If you have a battery like this and you connect an emitter over here, this becomes positive, this becomes negative. Sir, that is also fine. if you have a battery like this and you have a resistor over here and you connect a voltmeter, this becomes positive, this becomes negative. Okay, this is also fine. But voltmeter should be in parallel and emitter should be in series. That is how we connect it. Clear? Okay, fine. Let's see. Let's check B first. Sir, voltmeter is in series. B is wrong. Let's check D. In D, what do we have? Sir, voltmeter is in parallel. That is correct. Emitter is in parallel. That is wrong. So D is also wrong. Why? Because emitter is connected in parallel. गलत है ये. गुनाह है ये. Fine. Let's check C. Sir, emitter is in series. अरे वाह, that is correct. Voltmeter is in parallel. That is also correct. Sir, C तो बढ़िया एकदम. Right? Is it true? Good, Harsh. I told you what? Emitter is in series. That's okay. Voltmeter is in parallel. That is also okay. But think about it. Voltmeter, this sign should be positive, na? When it is connected to the positive side, but it is given negative. Galat hai ye. Arey, C is wrong, which means A is correct. But sir, in A, how many of you feel voltmeter is connected in series? In option A, how many of you feel, sir, voltmeter galat lag raha hai na? Voltmeter looks like it is in series. Yes or no? Jaldi batao. You told C. What is the meaning of alloys? Remember, alloys are homogeneous mixtures of metals like nichrome and chromium. They are mixed and formed a new alloy called as nichrome, like brass, bronze. Do you think, sir, voltmeter na gadbad lag raha hai? It is in series. Yes? Ashraf, you feel it like this? है ना? No? Yes? Now listen to me. Listen. अरे सुनो तो. Let me ask you. This is your battery, right? This is your battery. This is your resistance. Correct? This is your resistance. And this is your voltmeter. Okay? Fine. Voltmeter has ideally how much resistance? Infinite. Voltmeter doesn't draw any current. Okay? This is one of the circuit. Let me draw one more. If this is your battery, this is your voltmeter, and this is your resistance. You tell me, is there any difference between this and this? Come on. Incandescent bulb. Gamer, it is that filament wala bulb, no? You might have seen in your house. I don't know, but nowadays, those yellow light giving bulbs. Oh, welcome back. Nice. Are both of these same? Sir, voltmeter, resistance are in parallel. There is one battery. Common point. Fine. This is common point. Fine. Yes. Ronak says nope. Are both of these same? No. Let me draw one more. Now you tell me. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is R. A, B, C. Is A and C same? They are same. All three are same. Guys, all three are same. Don't be confused. Think about it. Sir, resistance, voltmeter are in parallel and they are connected to battery on the two ends. True. Here also resistance and voltmeter are in parallel. They are connected to battery on two ends. Okay. Here also resistance and voltmeter are in parallel. They are connected to battery on two ends. All three are same. Yes. ठीक है? ये तीनों same है. So that is why option A is the right answer. Oh. हाँ जी. A है right answer. ठीक है? Correct. So option A is the right answer. Clear? बहुत अच्छे. चलो, question number 22. Hey, there is a poll on your screen. I think it is about, I can't see the full poll, but I think it is about, have you checked the year-end sale? कल्पना बच्चा, resistance and voltmeter, they are in parallel. How will the current flow? Do you know? Current will flow like this. Voltmeter is still in parallel. It is giving you only voltage. Voltmeter ideally has infinite resistance. Voltmeter is like an open circuit. Correct है ना? Today my holiday नहीं यार, कैसी बात कर रहे हो? आ गया ना समझ? बहुत बढ़िया. चलो आ गया. 22. अरे चलो यार. We have 9 more questions. 20 more minutes. Let's try. Let's aim. A student wants to use an electric heater, an electric bulb, and an electric fan simultaneously. How should these gadgets be connected with the mains? Justify your answer giving 3 reasons. First of all, you tell me, how will you connect these in the mains? कैसे connect करोगे? Yes, साइन वाला समझ नहीं आया. अच्छा दिव्यांशु बच्चा, मैं बोल रहा हूँ, अगर ये है ना आपका बैटरी and this is your emitter, ठीक है, तो बैटरी में प्लस यहाँ होता है ना, यहाँ प्लस यहाँ बन जाएगा, right, and this will be minus. If this is your battery and you have a resistance and you have a voltmeter, right, ये प्लस यहाँ होता है ना, तो वोल्टमीटर का प्लस यहाँ आएगा, माइनस यहाँ आएगा, ठीक है. दिस इज आई एम टेलिंग यू. हाँ जी, 200 लाइक तो होने ही चाहिए बिल्कुल, उसके बिना क्या मजा. कम ऑन, आगे बताओ. पैरेलल और क्या सर, घर में कर रहे हैं ना कनेक्शन. वी वांट पैरेलल. व्हाई? जस्टिफाई योर आंसर. बेसिकली इट इज आस्किंग यू व्हाई पैरेलल कनेक्शन इज बेटर फॉर हाउस होल्ड सर्किट. दैट इज द क्वेश्चन. ट्विस्टेड है बट सेम क्वेश्चन है ना भाई. व्हाई इज पैरेलल बेटर? पहली चीज सर, इंडिविजुअल कंट्रोल. इफ वन अप्लायंसेस आई वांट टू टर्न ऑफ, आई डोंट नीड टू टर्न ऑफ ऑल द अप्लायंस. आई विल गेट इंडिविजुअल कंट्रोल ऑन ईच अप्लायंस. सेकंड, if one appliance gets faulty, not all appliance will stop. Third, in parallel, sorry, in series, more and more appliance if you connect, current will reduce, है ना? Correct. So that is why this is the good thing. तो क्या करेंगे हम लोग? पहले I will connect in parallel. क्यों? Because of its perks. Electric fuse क्या होता है? Sir, it's a safety device. It's a safety device. How is it connected in a circuit? कैसे connect करते हो? Sir, I connected in the starting. I will connect fuse in the beginning itself, right? Because when the current flows more than a prescribed limit, this wire will melt and circuit will break. एकदम आसान. Answer देख लो जरा फटाफट. Gadgets should be connected in parallel. कहीं because these gadgets have different resistances and the potential drop according to resistances. Right? है ना? And the potential will be dropping according to resistances. Correct? बहुत अच्छे. हाँ, ये पहला वाला रुक जाओ. ये पहला वाला ना, these gadgets have different resistances and the potential will be same across the resistances. भाई पैरेलल कनेक्शन में क्या गुड थिंग होता है ना, देयर इज अ गुड थिंग. ऑल द अप्लायंसेस दैट यू हैव, दे हैव अ वोल्टेज रेटिंग 220 वोल्ट, अराउंड 230 240 तक, है ना. सो यू वांट अ कांस्टेंट वोल्टेज. इन पैरेलल व्हाट यू गेट? सर, ऑल अप्लायंसेस गेट सेम वोल्टेज ना. दैट इज अ गुड थिंग. सेकंड, if one appliance fuses, others will keep functioning. These gadgets can be controlled individually. Same thing I told you, है ना. कौन सी क्लास? रामदेव सर, this is grade 10th. हाँ, animal plants, very good. फ्यूज किस मेटल से बना होता है? हाँ, पूर्वी, नाइस. इट्स अ टिन एंड लेड का एक अलॉय होता है ना. यस, करेक्ट. हाउ इज इट कनेक्टेड इन अ सर्किट? फ्यूज की बात कर लेते हैं. Electric fuse is a safety device that operates to provide protection against the overflow of current in an electrical circuit. It is connected in series. When the question was asking you how is it connected, इसका मतलब पता है क्या है? Series और parallel. So how is it connected? Fuse कैसे लगाते हो? Series में लगाते हैं. That is important. Fine. It is connected in series is important. बढ़िया. चलो आगे आ जाओ. Clear ना? आ जाओ. Question number 23 भाई. Hey 23. Nice question. 5 मार्कर 2020 का. बड़े क्वेश्चन आए 2020 में ना. यस. हाँ, बट इज इट नॉट, इट इज नॉट एग्जैक्टली अ सोल्डरिंग, स्लाइटली डिफरेंट. यस विष्णुजीत, यू आर राइट, बट द कॉम्पोजिशन इज डिफरेंट. कम ऑन. Two lamps rated 100 watt 220 volt and 10 watts 220 volts are connected in parallel to 220 volt supply. Calculate the total current through the circuit. First wala. Yes, not visible. Why? Himanshi, nice one. Come on. अच्छा एक बात बताओ, कितने लोग फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में रेजिस्टेंस निकालने का ट्राई कर रहे हो? How many of you are actually trying to find resistance in the first question? Yes or no? Dhruv? Arey, my name is Saurabh. 0.5 amperes. My name is Saurabh Shukla. Everybody, come on, come on, come on. कितने लोग रेजिस्टेंस निकालने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं? How many of you are trying to find resistance in the first one? Arbinder, you are trying to find, huh? Okay. See, it will give you answer. It'll make the calculation very lengthy. There is a smarter way. We just find current at the Himanshi, good. Power formula, aha, nice Purvi. Me. Listen, I'll tell you a good thing. See, resistance you can do. It'll be very lengthy. Calculations will go, sir, क्या कर लिया मैंने? गलती होगी मेरे से, है ना? But listen. Two lamps rated कितना? 100 watt, 220 volt. 10 watts, 220 volts. They are connected in parallel to 220 volt. यार एक बात बताओ. If let's say, forget about the question. If I tell you, a bulb has a power rating of 100 watt. And I am giving it 220 volts, right? If I tell you a bulb has a power rating of 100 watt and a voltage rating of 220 volts. If I give this bulb 220 volts, कितना current होगा? Tell me. Just look at this. Forget the whole question. Just tell me the answer of this. If a bulb has 100 watt power and 220 volt requirement of voltage, if I give it 220 volt, how much current will it draw? Come on. 0.45. Basically, sir, you will say P is equal to voltage into current. So I will be P upon V, which means 100 upon 220. Sir, it will be 10 upon 22. You can say divide by 2, cut by 2, 5 upon 11, right? You can say, sir, 5 upon 11 amperes. If you supply the voltage which the bulb wants, it will take the current which it needed. What am I saying? भाई इसको 220 volt दोगे तो it will generate 100 watts. Means it will require how much current? Sir, 5 upon 11 amperes. Use this logic, na? See, you would have found resistance if the supplied voltage was not 220 volt. अगर supplied voltage 220 volt ना होके, if it was let's say 100 volt, 50 volt, 150 volt, then I would have said find the resistance. But अभी तो life आसान है ना भाई, right? Right now your life is easy. What is the good thing about this? Sir, 220 volt, it is how much? 100 watt, 220 volt, correct? And this one is 10 watts, 220 volt. Getting my point? Thank you, Sparsh. Right? So, if you give both these bulbs 220 volt, how much current will they draw? कितना current लेंगे individually? Sir, this will take I is equal to 100 upon, अरे चलो भाई, हाँ, 100 upon 220 means 10 upon 22. This will take how much? Sir, it will take, this is I1, this is I2, कितना लेगा ये? Sir, 10 upon 220, right? Means 1 upon 22. These two currents are in two branches of a parallel circuit. Total current will be how much? Add them. Add them. अरे इन दोनों को add कर दो. Total current will be I1 plus I2. बोले तो 10 by 22 plus 1 by 22 means 11 by 22 means 1 by 2 means 0.5 amperes. Done. 0.5. 0.5 amperes. Are you getting my point? Sir, why did you find individual current using the power rating and then added Q? Because the supplied voltage is same. अगर 200 बीट मांगा उसने, if this bulb is asking for 220 volt and you are giving it 220 volt, you can find current from power only, है ना? I found the current because 220 volt was required and I'm giving it 220 volt. अगर ये कुछ और मांगता तो फिर दिक्कत हो जाती. Yes, 0.45. I know, कोई बात नहीं. 0.5 amperes clear. Hello CR7, welcome. Come on. Clear है? Everybody. The reason this question was easy is because 220 was required and 220 was given. Clear एकदम? Yes. Got it? No? है ना? आपने बना लिया था? बहुत अच्छे. Because otherwise, no, this 5 marker question will take a lot of time. बहुत time waste हो जाएगा इस पे. Yes, all change their answer. Okay, nice. चलो आगे आओ. Next question. अच्छा ठीक है. You will find it. I equals P upon V. ये 0.5 amperes. Okay, बढ़िया. Question number B. Nice. Two resistors X and Y of resistances 2 ohm and 3 ohm respectively are first joined in parallel and then in series. In each case, the voltage supplied is 5 volt. Okay. ठीक है. First, draw circuit diagrams to show the combination of resistors in each case. Very easy. बना लोगे ना? है ना? नमस्ते मेरे दोस्त. हाँ, voltage अलग है तो क्या करेंगे गीता? If voltage is different ना, you have to find resistance. And then you have to use the two bulbs at two resistances and then find individual current and then do it. है ना? ठीक है? Fine. You have to find two resistances, find the equivalent resistance and then find the current. Then the method will be different. Namaste. Come on. भाई देखो. You have two resistances, 2 ohm, 3 ohm. Connect them in parallel and then in series and draw the diagram. अरे बना लेंगे ना सर, ये तो parallel हो गया. 2 ohm, 3 ohm. आ जाओ भाई. 2, 3 ohm. This is our 5 volts. आ गया आंसर. Easy एकदम. ना बढ़िया. Calculate the voltage across the 3 ohm resistor in the series combination. Question is asking you have to find what? Voltage across 3 ohm resistor. How much? Yes, come on. How much? Ashraf says 1 ampere. 3 volts. Samia. Hi. Yes, Indian videos. Welcome. People who are joining late. Don't forget there is a Google form link given to you in the description and we have a sale on your favorite BYJU'S the learning app. अगर वो ऐप 12,000 का था तो अभी वो 6,000 का है, right? So go ahead, check it out. अगर तुमको लगता है if you want to learn from those amazing videos, amazing visualizations, check it out. It is given in the description. Come on. Yes. How to connect resistance? आप दिन में कितनी बार? Come on. Yes. 3. अरे वापस आ गए आप. वेरी गुड. हो गया खाना ना मतलब. 3. Yes. 5. Okay. अरे एक बात बताओ. Finding voltage isn't it very easy? Sir, if you find current will be how much? 3 plus 2. The total resistance will be 5 ohms, right? So I will be how much? 5 volts upon 5 ohms means 1 ampere. So ये आ गया current. This current is common in both, right? This current is 1 amperes for 2 ohms also and 1 ampere for 3 ohms also. So voltage will be how much, sir? 3 ohms into 1 ampere मतलब sir 3 volts. 3 volt is the answer. Correct है ना? Yes. 3 volt is the correct answer. अब इसको तो हम कर ही लेंगे, कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं है. Correct? This is your two diagrams and V equals IR, total resistance 5 ohm, total current 1 ohm, voltage will be 3 volts. एकदम आसान. Yes. हाँ, nice. Alright. चलो. 5 marker question. 2019 5 marker question. Looks scary but it is not. First वाला, list 2 disadvantages of using a series circuit in homes. क्या दिक्कत होगी if you use series circuit in your homes? What will be the problem? Yes? Yeah. अरे beautiful player. Nice. All the best यार, Giga guys. Yes. Is P derivable current? Yes. Yeah, Geeta, see, power, if you think about it, power from Joule's law of heating, you will go to I square R, right? Directly. Sufficient current? No. Good. Nice, Himanshi. Simple. Sir, in series, if one appliance stops working, every appliance will stop working. That is my first problem. इसीलिए मेरे को series बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. Second, if you connect more appliances, current will become less. Why? Because resistance will become more. And if current is reducing, every appliance will become very slow. है ना? So that doesn't make sense. So भाई series नहीं करते हम लोग. ठीक है? Two disadvantages हो गई. Calculate the effective resistance between A and B in the circuit given below. जल्दी, फटाफट, इसका आंसर बता दो. Correct, you are right, Aditya. Karthik says B is 3 ohms. Yes, you are right, Ganga. That's correct. Come on. Yes, Shaurya, you are right. Junction type connection question. See, star delta, it is not in your syllabus, it won't come. I can teach you, not a problem. For Olympiads, I have taught last year. And for equivalent resistance, I have done a special. 3 ohms, 2 ohms. Okay, arey, easy yaar. See, first, A, yahan hai, B is here, right? Current, let's say, goes from here, it will distribute in 3 areas, means, sir, 4 and 6 are in series, 3 and 3 are in series, right? So 4 and 6 are in series, so you can say this is B, right? 4 and 6 are in series, then you have a 15 ohm resistance here, then you have 3 ohms and 3 ohms. In the end, क्या है ये? This is 4, this is 6, this is 3, this is 3. 4 plus 6 कितना है? Sir, this is 10. 3 plus 3 कितना है? This is 6. Now 10, 15, 6 are in parallel. आसान. हाँ, correct. New form में convert करेंगे. You are right. How? First is how? Why not series? So if one component in a series circuit fails, then all the component in the circuit fail because circuit has been broken. The more component there are in series circuit, the greater circuit resistance. अब इसकी बात कर लेते हैं, right? देखो, 3 ohm and 3 ohm are in series. So what will you do? You will create a equivalent circuit like 3 and 3 are in series, 6 ohms. First thing. Second, 6 ohm and 4 ohm are in series. This one. These two are in series. So what you got? 10 ohms. Okay. Now 10 ohms, 15 ohms and 6 ohms are in parallel. So use the parallel wala formula. Sir, what is it? 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 is equal to 1 upon R equivalent. Apply it over here. Ye raha formula. What you will get? 3 ohms. Correct answer. Yes, bilkul. You have a doubt? Ashi, you can ask bacha. Bilkul. Na, Rajni, sir. Are, it is not 4, it is 3. Correct? Clear? चलो आगे आओ. अरे हो गया ना ये? हाँ चलो क्वेश्चन 25 हो गया ना? Very good. Nice. Samaya, 3 is correct. Question number 25, kids. Come on. It's a 2 marker, 2022 question. Clear? 3 ohm. Very good. Magnetic field, it's a good question. I'll tell you why. Magnetic field is a physical quantity that has both direction and magnitude. How can this statement be proved with the help of magnetic field lines of a bar magnet? If you know the field lines of a bar magnet, how can you prove this statement that magnetic field is a physical quantity that has both direction and magnitude? Yes. Either I have something better. I have given you all these questions in the Google form, so that you can try them yourself. See, PDF, if I give you, it will have all my markings. So I'm saying you solve all these questions on your own again. There is a proper Google form. You can submit your answers. You can write your answers, right? You can give answers for the numerical based questions and you submit your answer. Okay? Wherever you get stuck, watch that video from this thing. You don't have to watch the complete session. It's a 3-hour long session here. north to south pole direction, using soft iron filings. Aditya, that is not the question. I'll tell you why this question is important. The question is little ambiguous. The question is little confusing. Sir, करना क्या है इस question में? I have to prove with the help of magnetic field lines of bar magnet that magnetic field is a physical quantity in both direction में. क्या बोल रही है? Feeling आ रही है? सर पूछा क्या है? समझ ही नहीं आ रही तो. Correct. Nitika, you also correct. Sandhya, एक साइड मोटिवेशन. Sandhya, because overloading can happen and it will lead to. हाँ. लक्ष्य. आगे बताओ. जल्दी. Yes. Deflection of compass. Diagram. Okay. How to find the rating of fuse in numericals? Mali, find the resistance and rating of fuse will be, find the resistance, है ना? Find the current, rating of fuse will be slightly higher than that. हाँ, कहना क्या चाहते हो? सही बात है. Ørsted experiment. See, I'll tell you. If you go and check out a bar magnet's magnetic field lines, what do you have to prove? That magnetic field has both direction and magnitude. Now, these field lines, they are giving you something very important. The direction of field lines is marked. Magnetic field lines of a bar magnet के अंदर direction of field lines is marked here. So, this direction which is already marked is telling you that line, the magnetic field lines in a bar magnet are going from north pole to south pole. In addition, you can also write, sir, if you keep a compass needle, it will give you direction of the field at that particular point. Okay, one thing is done. Second, it has direction and magnitude. मतलब कितना, magnitude का मतलब होता है कितना, right? कितना. The strength of magnetic field depends on closeness of magnetic field lines. जहाँ जहाँ पे field lines pass होंगी, it will tell you that the magnitude of magnetic field will be more. Yes, है ना? Oh, nice. So magnetic field lines of a bar magnet indicate that the direction of magnetic field is from north to south pole. ठीक है? The degree of closeness of the magnetic field lines, it indicates the strength of magnetic field. हमने बोल दिया सर डायरेक्शन देख सकते हो आप उस डायग्राम से, because magnetic field lines are going from north to south. दिया हुआ है डायग्राम में, है ना जी? ठीक है. Second, magnitude वाला कैसे बताओगे? How will you tell magnitude? Sir, wherever we have close lines, it means strength is more. Wherever we have far lines, means strength is less. एकदम बढ़िया. You are told the same, correct एकदम, है ना? Hence, magnetic field has both direction and magnitude. This is how you can explain this question. I know many students were not able to figure out, sir इसमें लिखना क्या है? I'm not able to figure out. This is good, correct? Yes, है ना? Vector, that's true. Indirectly properties पूछा है, you are right. Devanshu is actually right, बच्चों. Indirectly in this question, they are asking property of magnetic field. Simple, right? है ना? हाँ विष्णुजीत, because if it draws current, no, means it will reduce the supply of current in the resistance. तो क्या होगा? Voltage कम आएगा. So जो चीज जो measure करने के लिए बना है, if voltmeter is there to measure voltage, it should measure correct voltage, right? But if it takes current, that voltage will be wrong. अपना काम अच्छे से करने के लिए उसको zero current लेना पड़ेगा. Yes, Devanshu, again same answer for you. Emitter को measure करना है current. अगर एमीटर रेजिस्टेंस देगा तो करंट कम हो जाएगा, मींस वैल्यू विल बी लेस. उसको मेजर करना है सेम करंट, मींस इट शुड हैव लोएस्ट रेजिस्टेंस. साइंटिस्ट वाली फीलिंग आ रही है? अरे वाह, नाइस. जल्दी करा दें नितिका. आई नो यार, मेरे को भी घर जाना, तुमको पता ही है. आई हैव अ फास्ट. मैंने खाना नहीं खाया सुबह से, राइट? समझ रहे हो ना तुम लोग? करेक्ट. क्यों कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि मेरे को मजा आता है. नहीं रे, तुम्हारा एग्जाम है इसलिए. कम ऑन. 26 क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज एन इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट? लिस्ट एनी 2 यूजेस. कर लोगे? What is electromagnet? क्या होता है electromagnet? Sir, take a insulated copper wire. Take a insulated wire, है ना? You wrap it around a soft iron core and pass current from it. It becomes electromagnet, है ना? इसके 2 यूज क्या हैं? Correct, है ना? Yes, yes. लाई कौन? मैं. ठीक है. What is magnitude? Rashda, magnitude means how much? your weight is how much? You tell me, let's say 40 kg, right? That is the magnitude of your weight. Simple. Current without potential difference. Mars. That's true. It's a very good question, but it's a class 12th question. I want to answer, but right now I won't. Just check on YouTube. Na? Same question if you ask. H.C. Verma sir has explained this. Yes. Geeta, Monday. Monday I keep fast. Yes. Monday usually I keep fast. Come on. Fleming's right hand rule. Ooh. Any two uses of electromagnet. लिख दोगे ना भाई. Correct? Nice. Good. So electromagnet क्या होता है? Sir, take a insulated wire, you wrap it around a soft iron core, that becomes electromagnet. Use क्या है? Sir, scrap yards में to separate magnetic materials from non-magnetic materials, electric bell, speakers, maglev trains, right? है ना? Current a vector quantity, Vishnu. There is a word called as tensor quantities, right? It's not exactly vector, it's not exactly scalar. But right now, when somebody asks you in this class, you can say scalar. In class 12, when I teach, I tell them about a quantity called as tensor quantity. Not right now. अभी नहीं बताऊंगा मैं. ठीक है? चलो भाई. Electromagnet is a temporary magnet which consists of a coil of insulated copper wire which is solenoid wrapped around a soft iron core. A strong magnetic field is produced when current is passed through it. Use क्या है इसके? What are the uses? Electrical devices, loudspeaker, electric motor, MRI scanners. Easy. Next, draw a label diagram to show how electromagnet is made. Important. Practice this diagram. नहीं तो समझ नहीं आएगा सर कैसे बनाएं. I'm not getting it. है ना? Yes. Very good. चलो आगे आओ. State the purpose of soft iron core used in making electromagnet. क्या काम है soft iron का? I mean, if soft iron core is not there, do you think that solenoid will not behave like a magnet? If soft iron core is not there, do you think that solenoid will not behave like a magnet? It will. A solenoid has field lines like a bar magnet. It will behave like a magnet, but फिर क्यों चाहिए soft iron core? Armature. Nice. Good. हो गया? Ranshu? We'll talk. It's there, but we'll talk. It increases magnetic field. Good. Helps in magnetizing. Good. To make... बढ़िया. देखो पहली चीज, it gives strength. Solenoid is simple wire ना. Wire, if you want to use wire to pick up heavy things, wire तो wire है बेचारा, मर जाएगा वो तो, है ना? So if you give us a बीच में armature, or I will say core, armature भूल जाओ तुम. If I keep this soft iron core in between, फिर क्या होगा? It will give strength. पहली चीज. दूसरा, the soft iron core magnetizes very easily. Means this solenoid will make core also a magnet, and दोनों मिलके क्या करेंगे दुनिया पे राज? दोनों मिलके they will enhance each other's strength, and that is why inserting iron rod increases the strength of electromagnet. Yes, correct, है ना? So soft iron core is used to increase the strength of magnetic field produced by solenoid. When current is passed through soft iron core, it gets magnetized easily and produces a stronger magnetic field. How to increase? Sir, increase the current, increase number of turns, insert an iron core. That's it. है ना? Correct? Very good. We want temporary magnetic field, not permanent. That's true. Very true. है ना भाई? Correct. चलो. 27th question. देखो last 4 question है भाई. थोड़ा जोश के साथ खत्म करेंगे. Fine. High permeability. Oh, nice. High permeability, low retentivity. मजा आ रहा है तुमको 11th class में ना? बहुत बढ़िया. चलो अभी नहीं लिखे. 2019 3 marks. Come on. The following diagram shows two parallel straight conductors carrying the same current. क्या बात है? I know, क्या बात है? Hey Arya, I covered this when? Last week only I covered. In magnetic, on Sunday I covered. In magnetic effect of electric current one shot. Hey, you haven't watched it, huh? हिमांशी, अरे थैंक यू. अरे तुम्हारे लिए करना पड़ता है मेरे दोस्त. 08.x. Okay, Aravi says, copy the diagram and draw the pattern of magnetic field lines around them. बना लोगे? Showing their directions. What is the magnitude of magnetic field at point X, which is equidistant from the conductors? Give justification for your answer. What is the pen tablet you use for रोहित, यार ये महंगा वाला पेन टेबलेट है, बहुत बड़ा है ये पता है कितना बड़ा है? It is this big. ये इतना बड़ा है. It's called as Wacom Cintiq Pro. Yes. Hello. 0. Good. Arey. Sir, how to draw the direction of magnetic field? Easy. Right hand thumb rule. Point your thumb in the direction of current and curl your fingers to get the direction of magnetic field around the current. बहुत बढ़िया सर, ये तो easy है एकदम, है ना? क्या करना है हमको? Okay. So this will be my current. So this will, okay. Here it is going like this, like this, like this. Now here it is going like this, like this, like this, which means here it is in this manner, in this manner, in this manner. Now you tell me, this point X is at equal distance from both the wire. Means the strength, right? The value of magnetic field will be same, but directions are opposite. Sir, how? Because of this wire, right? Because of this wire, field is going at X inside. Because of that wire, the field at X is coming outside. So what is happening? Badam. 0. By equal field was coming from opposite direction and they will not intersect. What will they do? They will kill each other. Correct? है ना? हाँ, very good. Nullify the constant. हाँ. Hey, I'm just doing this joke so that you understand. They will nullify each other. That's why it will become 0. Clear? है ना? ठीक है? At X, 1, because of Q, it is going inside. Because of I, it is coming outside. Both are equal. तो ये क्या हो गया? Oh, ये तो लड़ गया एकदम, है ना? Yes, nice question. Very good. Please answer my question. Ashi, sorry बच्चा, I missed your question. अरे राम राम, yes बताओ. हाँ, प्लस वर्सेस 0. हाँ, 0 हो गया. बहुत बढ़िया. ठीक है? Left side of the magnetic field. Yes, Laksh, you're right. Right side say it will be into the page, because of left wire it will be out of the page, but both are equal. Why? Because distance from both the wire is same and current in both wire is same. That's why it will be equal and opposite and become 0. Badhiya. Correct? So how to write it? We just did it. ये तो हो गया, ये भी कर लिया. Draw the diagram first, then explain. Sir, how to explain? The magnitude of magnetic field at point X is 0. Why? Explain. By applying the right hand thumb rule, the direction of magnetic field at X due to conductor AB is out of the screen. Due to PQ, it is into the screen. As the same current flows through both the conductors and point X is equidistant from each conductor, the magnetic field produced at X due to AB and PQ is equal and opposite. Hence, the net magnetic field is 0 at point X. This was a 3-marker question, if I'm not wrong. कितना नंबर था ये? हाँ, 3 marker. बढ़िया है. डायग्राम बनाओ फटाफट, हो जाएगा. Yes, it's going 10. पीयूष यार, मेरे को भी जल्दी है यार. Last 3 questions, quickly. तुम करोगे जल्दी, I will do it quickly. Form fill कर दिया? Very good, Nanish. बढ़िया. First, by the way, that form is for you to solve questions and check from this video. हाँ, ये हमेशा काम आने वाला है. Question 28. Name and state the rule to determine the direction of force experienced by a current carrying straight conductor placed in a uniform magnetic field which is perpendicular to it. क्या पूछ लिया question ने चुपके से? This question could have been 1 line. Question gave you 3 lines. कीर्ति, you can बच्चा. हाँ, मैं डरेगा नहीं. Good. हाँ, अगर equidistant नहीं होता तो then you should have known a formula called as Biot-Savart law, but अभी वो है नहीं, so equidistant ही आएगा. जिस वायर के पास होगा वहाँ स्ट्रेंथ ज्यादा होगी, जिस वायर से दूर होगा वहाँ स्ट्रेंथ कम होगी. तो आप बोल सकते हो जो अगर बाहर वाली फील्ड ज्यादा है, अंदर वाली कम है, तो नेट फील्ड विल बी आउटसाइड. यू कैन से दैट. यस पूर्वी. मैक्सवेल कॉक्स टू रूल. 1 मिनट. पूछा क्या है? अरे फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस. मैक्सवेल कॉक्स रूल कहाँ से आया? अरे राइट हैंड थंब रूल एंड मैक्सवेल कॉक्स टू रूल बोथ आर सेम, बट ये अलग है. इट इज फ्लेमिंग्स लेफ्ट हैंड रूल. व्हाई? If you want to find force, who will you call? Sir, you will call FBI. In your left hand, you have 5 fingers. Which one is the strongest? कौन है strongest? Sir, ये वाला. Thumb, ये become force. This is magnetic field, this is current. है ना? ठीक है? So, ये फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज सिंपली आस्किंग यू राइट फ्लेमिंग्स लेफ्ट हैंड रूल. लिख लोगे ना सर, थंब इज फोर्स, इंडेक्स फिंगर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, मिडिल फिंगर करंट, ऑल थ्री परपेंडिकुलर, बस इतना सा है. बाय सेवर लॉ, यू नो. गुड यार, नाइस. सेकंड, an alpha particle while passing through a magnetic field gets projected towards north. Second is good. पहले first कर लेते हैं. First वाला, direction of force on a, अरे चलो 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 चलो, हाँ, yes, the direction of force on a current carrying conductor is given by Fleming's left hand rule. बढ़िया. It states that if we arrange the thumb, the center finger and the forefinger of the left hand perpendicular to each other, then the thumb points towards direction of magnetic force, center finger, अरे कुछ नहीं यार, same whatever we say very quickly ना, just you have to write in English, उतना ही है, right, है ना. South, Brawl Star says south. Yes, Ashi, I'm sorry बच्चा, Ashi, I keep missing your question. Can you just post your question थोड़ा सा again and again? I'll see your question पक्का. Okay, I'm getting one answer is south. Okay, nice. Second question, important question. An alpha particle while passing through a magnetic field gets projected towards north. In which direction will electron project when it passes through the same magnetic field? Mahi, about electricity, bacha. Electricity mein na, see, I have done one shot, right? And we have done top 30 question of electricity. That is also good question, the good session. Apart from that, I have done special session on concept bytes, Joule's law of heating. All these are good. So check out which topic you want. किस topic में दिक्कत है? अगर full में दिक्कत है, check the one shot. South, 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 south. Good. Nice. अरे एक बात बताओ. Sir, this is east. This is west. Correct है ना? Explain this. अच्छा, previous one. बच्चा, I'm saying in this, your thumb becomes force. Right, this becomes your magnetic field, this becomes your current, right? So if magnetic field is in this direction and current is in this direction, the current carrying wire is in this direction, right? And current is flowing in this direction, so force on this wire will be in what direction? Upwards, right? So this is Fleming's left hand rule. Correct है ना? बहुत बढ़िया. Now we have done, now let's say question is telling you this is east, this is west, this is north and this is south. If alpha particle goes, let's say alpha particle is this red wala. Alpha particle while passing through a magnetic field gets projected towards north. This is alpha particle. Yes. Altamash, almost finished. Alpha particle, it is going towards north. Can I say the force on this alpha particle is towards north? Yes or no? Sir, I don't know magnetic field. It's okay. Sir, I don't know current. It's okay. But you know something. This alpha particle is going in that direction. Correct? Yes. Why? Because the force... yes. Because the force is moving in that direction. है ना? Yes. Proton. Electric current goes from plus to minus. So you can say the flow of positive charge is the flow of current. Right? How will force apply in that direction? Sir, force can be applied in that direction by two means. What two means? What two means? If magnetic field is in that direction and current is in this direction, that's when you can get a force in this direction. Or your magnetic field is in this direction, or your current is in this direction, then you can get a force in this direction. Correct? But the direction of flow of current, right, will be direction of flow of alpha particle, right? Alpha particle will get a force in this direction. Now, if alpha particle becomes electron, flow of negative charge is opposite to electron, right? Correct? Which means, because of alpha particle, forget about electron right now, forget about the force, right? Magnetic field is in this direction. Let's say you choose this. Magnetic field is in this direction. Alpha particle is moving in this direction. It will get a force in upward direction, that is north. Good. But imagine this is not alpha particle. Imagine this is, what is it? Electron. Let's say it is electron. Magnetic field is in this direction. Electron is going in this direction, which means current is in. Yes? Clear? Anonymous? We'll talk. Jaldi ye batao. If electron is going in this direction, which means current is in this direction or this direction? Coming towards you or away from you? Away from you. Current is in this direction. Why? Because current direction is taken opposite to the electron. Positive charge ka flow is the flow of current. Negative charge ka flow is the opposite of the current. So now what is happening, sir? Current is this side, magnetic field is this side, so force will be south. Yes, opposite. Clear हो रही है बात? Right? So क्या हुआ? Alpha particle से you are getting force in north direction. आपने इसको उल्टा कर दिया, force becomes in south direction, so that's why. Direction of flow of current will be along motion of alpha particles. Electron travels in opposite direction of flow of current. Hence, by applying Fleming left hand rule, we get the answer as south. आया? अरे बहुत रील देख रहे हो आप लोग आजकल, है ना? Clear? Come on. Second last question. State an important advantage of using alternating current over direct current. 2020 1 marker question. थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेट हो गया, जमा नहीं, क्यों? अरे नहीं रे, देखो अल्फा पार्टिकल का डायरेक्शन ना इलेक्ट्रॉन से ऑपोजिट रहेगा, राइट? करंट विल बी इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ अल्फा पार्टिकल, तो जहां भी उसका डायरेक्शन होगा ना फोर्स का, इलेक्ट्रॉन में वो ऑपोजिट हो जाएगा. यस, अरे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के बहुत क्वेश्चन करेंगे यार, रुको तो सही. बाय द वे टॉप 30 इलेक्ट्रिसिटी क्वेश्चन हमने कर रखे हैं, तो इफ यू वांट टू प्रैक्टिस यू कैन डू दैट. हाउस होल्ड, एसी चीप कैन ट्रेवल फार. वेरी गुड, सिंपल, नाइस. Sir, AC is cheap, that's true. It can be transmitted over long distances without much loss of energy. It is less expensive, easy to generate. It can be stepped up or stepped down as per the requirement. Choose any one. Advantage of AC could be AC can be stepped up or stepped down as per the requirement. Let's talk about the last question. The last 2020 5 marker question. If you are thinking, sir, why we have so many 5 marker question in 2020? Because options. 5 marker में ना you get choices. ये और B, ये और B, right? है ना? Sample paper, Rahul, we have done sample paper. कहाँ थे आप? Good. Yes. Come on. State the reason, the mode of connecting all electrical appliances in common domestic electric circuits. What is the mode of connecting all electrical appliances? Parallel, right? That's true, Vipin, that's correct. Yes, sir, क्या हुआ? अरे नाखून कहाँ चबा रहे हो? Right. B. Which two separate electric circuits are often used in domestic electric circuits and why? Okay. First, tell me the answer of A. एक आंसर क्या है? पैरेलल. पैरेलल, राइट, है ना भाई? स्टेट विद रीजंस द मोड ऑफ कनेक्टिंग ऑल इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंसेस इन कॉमन डोमेस्टिक इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट्स. आई एम टेलिंग यू, इससे बहुत क्वेश्चन आते हैं इस टॉपिक से. आई हैव डन अ कॉन्सेप्ट बाइट ऑन दिस. यस यस, थैंक यू पुनीत. पैरेलल, वेरी गुड. 240 लाइक कंप्लीटेड. नाइस यार, वेरी गुड. सो दिस इज पैरेलल एंड एक्सप्लेन व्हाई पैरेलल इज बेटर, which you will do. तुम लोग कर दोगे. Let's talk about B. Which two separate circuits are often used in domestic electric circuits and why? क्यों? That is the question. बिल्कुल. अरे जय श्री राम, आओ तुम आगे. अशरफ, अर्थिंग. अर्थिंग will not be right. High current requirement, separate circuit. Good. Yes, come on. See, if you are thinking, sir, question A, question B look same only, na? Which two separate circuits are often used? ये for question B कितने लोग के दिमाग में आ रहा है? Sir, series and parallel are two separate circuits used. कितने लोग को लग रहा है series parallel? Fuse and earthing. Good. More energy. Yes. Yes. 12 वोल्ट हाउस होल्ड बैटरी हार्मलेस. 12 वोल्ट, अरे यार आगे हार्ट आ जा रहा है. कार बैटरी, आशी कार बैटरी 12 वोल्ट, 12 वोल्ट नहीं होगी यार. Me, it depends on how much charge flows in how much time. है ना? अरे listen, two separate circuits. See, domestic electric circuit के अंदर it will always be parallel. But then what are two types of circuits? Here, what is important? See, first one is fine. This is okay. This is the diagram. And by the way, we should know how to draw this diagram. ठीक है? We should know how to draw this diagram. ये आ जाता है directly. है ना? Correct? Very good. Nice. Parallel connection is used for connecting. ठीक है. Second question में important पता है क्या है? Two types of circuits, low power and high power. You might have seen your geyser, your refrigerator, your AC. Their plugs look different. Have you seen that? Their plugs look different. They look big, है ना? Correct? Yes. Yes. है ना? Ashi, I saw the question. I don't have a very convincing answer right now, so I'll have to check. But if both are 12, there should be something I'm missing out. Sting energy. I understand. Hema, this last question. Maybe watch it from the start, no? है ना? You might have seen their plugs are different. Correct? है ना? अच्छा, I ignore big questions. That's true. But this question, I'm telling you truth. If both are 12, then I have to check because I don't think it should be 12. Yes. No, not one is AC, one is DC. One is high ampere, high rating plug, and one is low rating plug. 5 amperes and 15 ampere circuits are used in domestic electric circuits depending on the power rating of appliance used in household. You don't use those heavy plugs everywhere. It is only for heavy appliances, right? That is a thicker wire wala rating wala plug. You can say it is made for 15 ampere wala circuits, right? So these are high power rating circuits. Second is low power. There is 5 ampere. So 15 ampere current rating for appliances with higher power rating like geysers, air coolers, etc. And 5 ampere is for bulb, fan, etc. ठीक है? तो ये हो गए दो तरह के. What is earthing? Earthing is a safety mechanism we do in our home so that all the leakage current from all the metallic body appliances reach to earth. है ना? इसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं? We take earth wire, connect to all the appliances, take it and put it in the ground. उसको गाड़ देते हैं वहाँ पे, है ना? Yes, very good. चलो. Last question. When does electric short circuit occur? शॉर्ट सर्किटिंग का बड़ा एक क्लियर फंडा है. लाइव न्यूट्रल कम टुगेदर एंड देयर इज बूम. दैट इज शॉर्ट सर्किट. Theoretically, when live and neutral meet directly without resistance, it is like resistance 0. Theoretically, current is infinite. Huge current flows. Correct? Yes. When does electric short circuit occur? How can it be prevented? कैसे करोगे इसको prevent? वो केबल वाला ऐड देखा है? सर यूजिंग गुड केबल्स. कुड बी. यस. शादी कब होगी? पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बड़े आदमी बनोगे तो शादी हो जाएगी. यस. स्लाइड्स कहाँ मिलेंगी? अमन, स्लाइड्स आई हैव गिवन यू प्रॉपर क्वेश्चंस इन द गूगल फॉर्म गिवन टू यू इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. यस. देखो भाई, प्रिवेंट कैसे करना है? सर मेल्टिंग को you can use good cables, but that is not the correct answers. Correct answer would be, if current increases, how will you safeguard your appliances? You will use a fuse, main fuse. Main fuse use करेंगे. Why? Fuse is a safety device which works on heating effect of electric current. When current goes beyond a prescribed limit, this wire heats up, melts down and breaks the circuit. We will use a fuse, or you can say MCB. Correct? है ना? So, electric short circuit occurs when live and neutral wire come in direct contact. Electric fuse of suitable rating can be used to prevent short circuit. With this, we are done. There is a Google form link in the description. Go ahead and check it out. I know today we spent 3 hours because these 30 questions were very important. आज you have done them with me. बहुत सारे बच्चे लेट आए होंगे, but I'm proud of all of you who stayed throughout these 3 hours. Proud of you guys, right? Yes. Few use. Nice. Proud of you, all of you. And ये हमें करना पड़ेगा यार. We have to do these things regularly till your board examinations. तभी कुछ अच्छा होगा, right? Now, all these questions we have done today. I want you to take some time, कुछ दिनों कुछ हफ्ते बाद इसको दोबारा करना है. All these questions please try them again because all these are very hand-picked questions. In this form, all these questions are there. You can try them out, submit your answers and it will reach to me. I want to see how you are doing after few days. लेकिन ये question दोबारा attempt करने हैं. If you get stuck on any question, check it out using this video. Right? ठीक है ना? Google Form का use क्या है विपिन? इसका यूज है आप घर बैठे बैठे एक टेस्ट ले सकते हो इन्हीं 30 क्वेश्चन का. कहीं अटक जाओ सॉल्यूशन आपको मिल जाएगा यहाँ पे. राइट, दैट्स व्हाई. करेक्ट, यस. शायरी अभी नहीं, अभी घर जाएंगे. राइट, ठीक है, अभी घर जाते हैं, खाना वाना खाते हैं, फिर बात करते हैं. ठीक है. सो एवरीबॉडी सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल इफ यू सीरियसली बिलीव इन क्वालिटी एजुकेशन. टाइम पास के लिए बहुत जगह है, कहीं भी जा सकते हो. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, if you want to check out those nice videos on BYJU'S learning app, the link is given in the description. वहाँ पर shop.byju's है. ये इस like Amazon store. आपको कुछ अच्छा लगे आप ले सकते हो वहाँ से. ठीक है. इसके अलावा like करो वीडियो को and let's meet again. All the best for your pre-boards. फोड़ के आना है, डरना नहीं है, सब बढ़िया होगा. प्रैक्टिस करते रहना है. This अभ्यास series is specially for your pre-boards and boards. Let's do it the way we are supposed to do it. Right? कैसे? स्टाइल में. चलो, टेक केयर एवरीबॉडी. सॉन्ग अभी नहीं. चलो, टेक केयर एवरीबॉडी. कीप लर्निंग. ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर प्री बोर्ड्स एंड लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब. फिर मिलेंगे. चलो, बाय.